Alrighty guys, what is going on everybody? Welcome back to another live stream here for today. We are doing ourselves some coverage on today's enhanced risk. We actually got a pretty big threat here for severe weather today, including large hail, damaging winds. Actually, damaging winds is the main concern, and tornadoes possible. Let's go ahead and see who's here. We have Aiden, we have, let's see, Carson, Caleb, Viper, Scott, Ragtie. What's up, guys? Hope everyone's doing good. Obviously, I have to give a big thank you to Scott for already donating in favor of my stream breaking. So, thank you so much, Scott, for the donations, not for the wishes of my stream breaking down again like it did yesterday. But anyways, what's up, guys? Hope everyone's doing good. So, we're just gonna kick it right off here. We're kicking off in Nebraska. We got a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings popping off here across the way. We have a lot of hail reports already too. We're already actually seeing ourselves hail reports of 1.25 inches to 2 inches in diameter. It's already fallen across northeast Nebraska. We got some pretty nasty cells really popping off here in central Nebraska. This one might even be trying to rotate. Look at this. We might even look at that kind of a hook echo on that storm right off the bat. Things are looking pretty interesting. Anyways, but what's up, guys? Hope everyone's doing good. So love the intro music. Thank you, Deb. Let's see here. Scott with another 5, dude. Thank you. Saying skip the tornadoes. I agree. Yeah, we don't need no tornadoes here. The probability for tornadoes is actually pretty low today. We got a slight, marginal risk for tornadoes. Today's main concern, I'm going to switch y'all over here. So here's today's concern. Pretty large risk, actually, all the way down from Florida, doing a big U, essentially a sideways U, going straight up the Central Plains into the Midwest and up into like areas near, obviously Wisconsin and Michigan and those regions out there. We got a couple severe watches just now being issued too, so we got to watch out for those. But that's what's going on. Once again, tornado probability here is a 2% chance, very very low probability out there. Wisconsin and Minnesota is included, so we'll need to watch out for those regions. Oh my gosh, Proxy with a $20 super chat. What's up, Prox? Hope you're doing good. Saying you are amazing. Right back at you, Proxy. Thank you so much for the whopping $20 donation. Very, very sweet of you. We love you, Proxy. Thank you so much. What's the weather like in Antarctica? I cannot tell you that because my programs don't really, they don't really do well out there. But once again, Proxy, thank you so much. Greatly appreciated. We're going to go ahead and hop back over here to the radar here. Once again, yeah, we're kicking off in central Nebraska. We got some pretty gnarly storms popping off here. Doesn't really look like much rotation's happening. Oh, I do want to mention to you guys, we do have TRG here today. Let's go ahead and say hi to him. All right, what's up, bro? Probably interrupting.
Just slightly there, not really though, Andrew.
Sorry, bro. I knew I was.
Did you see that hook last scan on the cell we were talking about?
I'm watching it. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, that was
crazy. It's got a pretty solid inflow notch on it.
Yeah, it's rotating in more of the upper atmosphere there. I don't see any like lower elevation rotation with it.
Yeah. No, there's.
You have to go into higher tilts.
Let's see. We got ping pong ball size hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts on that.
Did you see the cell up here in the weird area of Michigan? Not the oven mitt, but the other region.
Oh, the upper peninsula?
Yeah. Yeah, the weird one.
I see a warning up there. I'm slowly working my way radar to radar, getting there. That's the bad thing about this program, GR2.
The special marine warning, it's dropped possibly up to 4-inch hail over water, thankfully.
Holy cow.
Yeah, this is where your 2% Tor is, and look at all these little bean cells up here.
I'm surprised they didn't put water spouts. Possible.
Oh, actually, your 2% Tor is more to the south.
Oh, okay. So wind gusts nearly 50. 50 knots is pretty quick. That's like over 60. Or nearly 60 miles per hour.
Marginal risk, wow. Yeah, not even in the slight just yet there.
Wow.
I don't know if you've gone over your mesoscale discussions and watches
yet. I have not
but...
yet. Yeah, actually, I went over my watches, not the mesoscale discussions. Did they put a new one out?
There is one up here for the potential of a watch. I think it's 40%. It may be 60. Would not be surprised.
Gotcha. Oh, yeah, I see a mesoscale discussion for Wisconsin.
40%.
It's unlikely.
Yeah, I don't think they'll issue one, but I mean,
most 40s I see never materialize.
Yeah, it's always the 60, 80s, and 95s.
Yeah.
A watch could be possible in the next couple hours, depending on how these cells materialize.
Right. Yeah, we'll need to watch it. All right. Well, I'll check back. I'll check back in here in a little bit with you if I find anything interesting.
All right. I'll butt into your stream here if I see anything.
We'll just interrupt each other.
That's great.
All right, guys. So that was TRG. He's joining us for part-time today. You're probably going to hear him in and out of the stream. I do want to say, Scott, thank you for the 5 memberships. I did want to say that while TRG was here because, you know, he's actually streaming too. But thank you so much, Scott. Greatly appreciated, dude, for the 5 memberships. Very sweet of you. Proxy says, howdy, everybody. What's up, Proxy? Hope you're doing good. Steven says, hi, Andrew and the gang. What's up, Steven? Hope all is well with you. But what me and TRG were just talking about is that they have a mesoscale discussion up here for areas kind of like towards Minneapolis, cutting through northern Wisconsin, even for like the southern uppermost peninsula of Michigan, like the upper state. And they're basically saying that there might be a watch needed for these areas, which he said that they were only a 40% chance, which I did not check on. Let's see, mesoscale discussions, watch possible. Yep, 40% chance. Here, I'll go ahead and show you guys this actually on the Storm Prediction Center's webpage. Here we go. So yeah, they said increasing severe potential this afternoon into the evening, a watch is possible. Watch probability you can see right there, 40% chance. They also mention it right here as well. So, I mean, it's not impossible. I mean, it's under a 50-50 shot. You know, it's more of an unlikely that they'll actually pull it, but it's not impossible. It's not impossible. And they are in a slight risk after all. You know, it could be needed. As, you know, once again, tornadoes, damaging winds, and all that fun stuff is expected out there. But anyways, we're going to hop up here to northwestern Iowa for a moment. We got ourselves a couple of, you know, pretty nasty storms popping off here. We got reports of large hail out towards Hull, Iowa, which is in northwestern Iowa. Look at this, 1.5-inch hail. And if you look under the report at the bottom, I can't really point it out. There you go. Right on the bottom of that text there, it says 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts were also observed. So near damaging wind gusts have been observed there. It has to be 58 miles per hour or more in order to be classified as, you know, a severe thunderstorm. But the hail alone makes it a severe thunderstorm, which, you know, definitely need to look out for that. Let's see here. Just new severe thunderstorm in South Dakota. Let's see about that. Probably. Oh, yeah, there's one down here in southwest South Dakota. Let's check up on it. See what's going on down here. Give it a second for my radar to load. But, Scott, so far everything's good. I don't want to jinx it. With my stream cutting out. Oh wow, that's a puny little guy. Let's see here. It looks like it might have some hail though. Got reports from it earlier of 0.5-inch hail. Let's see. This guy's warned for just quarter-size hail. So yeah, not even damaging wind gusts. Just small chance for some quarter-size hail. That's about it. Let's see here. Kala says, hi, just joined your channel. I'm kind of interested in the weather. Well, glad to have you here. Hope everything's doing well with you. And you came to the right place because we talk all about it here. This is, like I said, we're doing live coverage right now. So we're, you know, talking about the storms that's currently happening and making sure that you guys are aware. Let's go ahead and hop back over here to, so we have central Nebraska. We've been kind of watching this one cell. You know, kind of has that little kind of hook resemblance on it. Like I said, you know, anytime you have a hook, that's what we call a hook echo. And, you know, sometimes it can be rotating. Now, right now it's not rotating, even though we kind of have this little hook that's trying to develop here. But I do tell you what, velocity, the winds on this is showing some pretty strong winds, pretty much south of Halsey. Let's see here. Wow. Radar's estimating up to 70 miles per hour here. Let's see. What do they have the warning for? They have the warning for ping pong ball size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Let's see. Scott, thank you so much for another membership. Very sweet. Judy says Vermont, New Hampshire, lots of road washouts, flooding. It appears really time for April showers to stop. Yeah, for real. Now, yeah, that's another thing. Judy, thank you for mentioning that. The Weather Prediction Center actually put a really fat risk for flooding today. I mean, we're really... Like I said, we have a high risk, which that is pretty rare. And actually, here's a little bit of a fun fact for you guys. They've never issued a high risk for flooding up in these areas, which I'm going to go ahead and switch you guys over to right now. Let's go ahead and switch you guys over to the screen. So this is the Weather Prediction Center saying, hey, big threat for, big threat here for, for flooding, which really highlights a lot of Vermont, which, majority of Vermont is basically under a really big risk for flooding, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, we need to watch out for those. I mean, flooding is a big problem right now for the Northeast. And actually, if you look at the radar, across the Northeast here, we got a lot of rain. We kind of have, it looks like it's actually kind of rotating counterclockwise here. Let's see here. It actually looks, we're starting to get, is there a low out there? Let's see. I'm actually curious. Let's see. We're going to hop over here to the meso analysis. It does look like there actually is a little bit of a low pressure system out there in the Northeast. Here, I'll go ahead and move y'all over here to that. Yeah, there's the meso. So we kind of have like this low positioned off the Northeast coast here, which is interesting. Holy cow. Scott, again, 5 memberships, dude. Holy cow. Scott, you are on fire today with the donations and the memberships. Dude, that is so nice of you. Scott, thank you so much. That's crazy. That's really crazy. Scott, dude, thank you so much, man. Really means a lot. Very sweet of you, man. Thank you so much. But like I said, for this one central storm out here in Nebraska, like I was talking about, guys, I would not be surprised if we do get this warning eventually getting issued for 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. I mean, it definitely looks like it's in that range. The current warning has ping pong ball size hail on it and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. But I mean, I could definitely see those wind gusts there, 100%. Let's go ahead and turn on the pen here so I can actually draw on my screen. But yeah, so that area right in there, that's where the radar is being like, hey, this is some real strong winds at this level of the atmosphere, in which, like I said, radar is actually estimating about 70-mile-per-hour winds, which is crazy. Anyways, isn't counterclockwise a low pressure system? Yes. Yeah, clockwise a high pressure, counterclockwise is low. Now here's the thing. There's actually something interesting there, Kala. So in the northern hemisphere, so the top of the globe, there is these systems, low pressure systems rotate counterclockwise. Now if you go to the southern hemisphere, they rotate clockwise, which is due to the Coriolis effect, which is really cool. Since you say you're in the weather, I'd recommend looking up the Coriolis effect. Really neat. Really neat. Yeah, really cool stuff. Let's see. What's up, Deborah? Hope you're doing good. Glad to have you here. All right, we're going to hop back up to northeastern Nebraska. We're going to see what's going on out here. Like I said, we got some pretty nasty storms popping off here for northeast Nebraska. Ooh, is that a rotation pop? Trying to pop off here? Let's see. They don't have a tornado possible on that one. Interesting. But anyways, this includes Winnetoon, let's see, Plainview, Foster, and Osmond in extreme northeastern Nebraska here. We actually got reports out of the storms nearby here, actually producing some damaging winds up to 53 miles per hour. Measured gusts on personal weather station reported 53 mile per hour winds. Not too far east of that here in, let's see, Wausau. I think it's Wausau, which is northeastern Nebraska here. We're actually seeing ourselves look at several very large tree limbs down greater than 1 foot diameter, which is crazy. Let's see, is Minnesota gonna get hit tonight? I don't. Yes. Minnesota is actually in a pretty fair risk out there for today across the south, which we'll watch out for. Oh my God, Proxy! Whoa, dude, Proxy, $50? That's a big donation coming from Proxy. Holy cow. Proxy, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, thanks in advance for helpful educational stream, Andrew, you the man. Proxy, that is super sweet of you. Thank you so much, Proxy. Wow. You're amazing, Prox. Thank you so much. That's super nice. Everyone, please give Proxy a big thank you in the chat. That is amazing. That is super sweet of you. Proxy, you do not have to do that. Thank you so much, though. That's seriously awesome. Thank you once again, Proxy. I can't say thanks more than enough. That really means a lot to us. Really helps out. Thank you so much. We love you. Let's see. And they say it'll hit us tonight, says Deborah. Gotcha. Yeah, well, Deborah, stay safe out there. Like I said, obviously, the portions of southern Minnesota, the more south you go into Minnesota, the more the risk is, essentially. Actually, Minneapolis is what we call the slight risk, is in that slight risk territory, which is basically saying that, there's a scale from 1 to 5. So 5 is like the top severe weather events. Like, a 5, you do not want a 5 out of 5 severe weather threat. That's like a really big shot at a outbreak, a full-on outbreak, which would be potentially historic if you get high risks. Now, in terms of today, it's a level 2. Now, even if you're in a level 1 or level 2, which you are in southern Minnesota, no matter what, it is still a risk for damaging and severe storms. So obviously, across Minnesota, including Minneapolis, you guys are in a risk, which I would really watch out for. Let's see here. Well, Andrew, when you get a chance, let's see if 46725 is any severe weather risk this week. I can look for today. I'm not really extending past today right now. 27012 for North Carolina. Gotcha. This is out here for... Okay, so yeah, today, no, you're good. You're good to go, my friend. There's nothing on the table for anything severe popping off out there, so you're good. All right, we're going to hop back to main radar here, y'all. Going to keep an eye on these cells. Yeah, once again, Nebraska's getting hit pretty hard right now. Really getting hit. Look at this. Here's the satellite view. Things are really starting to show up on the satellite view. Look at that. Holy cow, we got ourselves a lot of big puffies starting to pop up here. a lot of puffy clouds starting to pop up. Got this guy, a little storm down here in southwest Nebraska, actually northeastern Colorado, central Nebraska, northeast Nebraska, and moving into northwestern Iowa, too. Scott giving another membership. Bro, Scott, you are on fire, dude. Holy cow. All I can say is really big thank you, Scott. And also congratulations to the people who are members now on the channel. Welcome, everybody. That's awesome. Scott, we love you. Thank you so much, dude. Scott and Proxy coming in clutch today. Thank you guys so much. But yeah. Will that watch get issues, says Rain? We were just talking a minute ago. Let's see here. We were just talking about this a minute ago. That's, for the upper state of Wisconsin, for upper portions of Wisconsin, into the upper state of Michigan here. We got a little area that's highlighted in purple. Y'all see this big purple noodle thing that's circling around this area. So that is what we call a mesoscale discussion. And in this case, this is saying, hey, okay, due to storm activity, we might need a severe thunderstorm watch here within the next couple of hours. Now, if you probably should know what a watch is. I mean, we actually already do have a couple watches out right now. This is a watch, these big bracketed areas. If you're in a watch zone, it just means that, keep an eye on the severe weather for today because you're in a zone where severe weather looks to be quite possible, or potentially even likely. Now, for these areas up here, now there is a good shot for severe weather, including some tornadoes potentially. But in terms of, other things, it does not look like they're going to issue a watch. They only put a 40% chance probability. I'm not saying they're not, but I'm saying that, the odds are in favor of them not issuing a watch versus them actually, pulling the plug and saying, yeah, we're going to issue a watch here. But anyways, let's see here. Welcome new members and the old one says purple. Yep, absolutely. Let's see. Hello, NWW. How are you? It's cloudy in Orlando. Well, what's up? Hope you're doing good. I am doing fine. Hope you're doing good as well. Let's see. Got some typical Florida stuff going on down here. Got a little bit of a line of storms popping off down there towards Florida, south of Orlando. Let's see. I bet you these are going south. Let's see here. Yep, they are. They're kind of moving south. So yeah, we got this little line rolling through. I'd say Orlando is mostly. I'd say you're pretty much good. You probably wouldn't see much more activity for thunderstorms. Scott gifting another one. Look at this, Kala. First time joining the live stream and instantly gets a membership. Holy cow, what luck is that? Scott, thank you, dude, so much, man. That's very sweet of you. That's very, very sweet of you. Thank you so much. Oh, look at this. We got some more wind reports coming through, y'all, up here in northeast Nebraska. Okay, we're going to hop back over to these guys. So we got some pretty gnarly cells popping off here. Pretty gnarly cells up here in northeast Nebraska right now that's popping off. We got a new report coming through near Magnet out here for 63 mile per hour wind gusts being reported, which that's pretty crazy. Let's see here. Merritt Island is 2. Gotcha. Yeah, there's a lot of... I think you're talking about the cloud cover, if I'm not mistaken. All right, let's hop back up here to northwestern Iowa. We're in the upper corner, northwestern Iowa here. We got ourselves a pretty nasty severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Sheldon, Sanborn, May City. I can't even begin to pronounce how to say that. Let's see here. Harris included, Cloverdale, Ashton, Sibley. So you guys are in a warning here. There's actually just been a report of quarter-size hail out of this too. Let's see. Okay, they have the warning for half-dollar size hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts. And the storm motion is east at 45 miles per hour. So this little area right in here where that purple is, that is right where the hail core is likely, and that's where that's at. So you got to watch out for that heavy core of precipitation, because that is what will dump hail on you. You don't want to be under that. Let's see here. Yeah, but once again, Scott, thank you so much, dude, for all the membership gifting and the donations. That's super sweet of you, man. And I'm sure you made a lot of people happy today. Thank you so much, dude. New severe thunderstorm warning in Washington. I don't even think they have a risk out in Washington. Yeah, they don't. But there is actually a warning out there. You're right. Yeah. Let's see here. Whoa. That's actually more significant than I thought it would be. It's not really anything too crazy, but holy cow. South of Mansfield, here in Washington, north of Ephrata, Ephrata, maybe, east of Waterville. Hail up to half-dollar size and 60 mile per hour wind gusts possible. Yeah. They got another mesoscale discussion out here in western Montana, which I guarantee you that's even a lower probability than the one we have up there in up in Wisconsin and Michigan. Let's see here. I'm actually going to pull this up, see just exactly what percentage that is. Okay, we're going to hop you all back over here to the Storm Prediction Center's website here. Let's see. So we had that one mesoscale discussion. This is what they are considering issuing, they're considering issuing a watch out here. They put it at a 40% chance probability. Let's see. This one's a 20% chance. Isolated strong to severe storms possible this afternoon. So yeah. So for western Montana here, we do have a chance, but it's only 20%. I mean, think of it the other way. It's basically an 80% chance that they're not going to issue a watch. So it's like the odds are pretty low. Scott with another one, saying last one. I don't blame you, dude. You seriously are very, very sweet, man. Let's see. Night Venomous as well, gifting one as well. Holy cow. Dude, you guys are super supportive today. Thank you guys so much. Night Venomous, we love you. Thank you so much, dude, for, contributing and, being right there with Scott in the membership gifting. Thank you so much, dude. There's a severe thunderstorm warning just north of me. It says rain. Gotcha. Well, stay safe out there, man. We're starting to get kind of a long line of hail reports coming through. I mean, look at this. All the way from pretty much like central Nebraska, cutting to the northeastern side and into northwestern Iowa here. We got quite a few hail reports. And I hate to tell you this, but guys, the main event hasn't even started. I was actually planning on going live at 8 o'clock today, but it literally, like I said, it literally started kicking off here early. And the main risk actually is for, let's see here, we're going to bring y'all over here. The main risk is for like south central Nebraska, and you can see the storms aren't even there yet. Also for like northwestern Kansas too. You guys are in that pretty big risk, which is the enhanced risk, what I was talking about. And let me actually bring you guys over to the Storm Prediction Center, the overall outlook. I did not bring that to you guys' attention yet. which we'll go ahead and do that here right now. So here's the Storm Prediction Center. Might look pretty familiar to the map we just looked at. So we got an enhanced risk out there. So that's the big risk for today. That's basically what we're looking at for a good potential for some damaging storms. Tornado probability, 2% chance. Really low probability for areas towards like central Wisconsin and southern areas of Minnesota. Damaging winds, we're going to save that one. Hail, though, hail's a really big threat. And you might notice how we have this like little black netted area here towards, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, central Nebraska, even portions of southeastern South Dakota and northwestern Iowa. That is what we call a hatched risk or a significant risk. And that's telling us that we have a possibility, a 15% chance across that netted area of seeing some large hail, potentially up to 2 inches in diameter and larger. So we're talking some really big stuff here overall. So got to look out for that. Now, damaging winds, like I said, I wanted to wait for that one. That's where the big stuff happens. That's the reason why we have this enhanced risk is actually for damaging winds. And here for northwestern Kansas and southwestern Nebraska, we have a 30% chance of seeing some damaging winds here, up to 80 miles per hour and higher, which is crazy. Let's see. Do you need to pay money to gift memberships? Yes. Yeah. Let's see. Do I think Missouri could get hit? No, not really. Missouri is actually not really in the threat for today. If so, for thunderstorms, the most likely area in Missouri that would likely see thunderstorms is, or I wouldn't say likely, but possibly could see thunderstorms is northern Missouri, kind of more northwestern Missouri, possibly. Yeah. What's up, Carson? Welcome back. Glad to have you here. But anyways, we're going to go and hop back over here to the radar, y'all. We're going to take a look and see what's going on. Like I said, we got some pretty nasty cells popping off here. I forgot to tell you, yeah, we do have TRG here today. So we haven't really said much to each other this whole stream yet, but he's also streaming as well. So it's like, so you probably will hear him tune in every once in a while, maybe. What's up, Mary? Hope you're doing good. Quarter size hail in Sanborn, Iowa. We got some pretty big reports actually in Iowa. Bigger than, you said quarter size? Yeah, bigger than quarter size. We actually have reports of 1.25 inch hail. Actually, look at this. We just got a report not long ago for 60 mile per hour wind gusts in O'Brien, or is it O'Brien or O'Brien County, Iowa? Extreme northwestern Iowa. Basically like, 2 counties away from the border. But yeah, 60 mile per hour wind gusts has been reported. Am I covering just for today or for the next few days? I'm just covering for today. Since we have an enhanced risk, we got to be kind of focused just on today alone, essentially. Just trying to focus on today. Then tomorrow, we'll focus on tomorrow. Thank you for the updates. We appreciate that. You're always keeping us safe. No problem, Deborah. Anytime. Let's see here. Do I think that tornadoes will happen? Like I said, it's a very low probability. Would I be surprised if we didn't get any tornadoes? No. Would I be surprised if we got tornadoes? No, not really. So basically, we have a really low probability for tornadoes, which means it could happen, it could not. The chances, across the areas here is not really favorable for any widespread tornadic activity. So it's expected to just kind of remain, maybe a brief spin up or two, but other than that, probably not. Odds are pretty low, so I wouldn't count on it. Let's see here. But that's what's going on there. We're going to go ahead and hop over to this guy. We got a lot of storms. Oh, look at this. We actually got some starting to pop up here in Colorado. Oh, man, this is the area we were just covering here. We were just covering this area here the other day towards La Junta. Yeah, we were just live over in this area. Here, let's see. Gotta bring up the radar here. Wonder what this guy's for. Quarter size hail, 60 mile per hour wind gust. That's nothing too crazy. Nothing too bad. Yeah, definitely not as crazy as these guys out in like Nebraska. Like I said, these guys, out towards Nebraska, these ones we got to look out for. Let's see. Yep. Continuing to see a lot of reports pile up here in northeast Nebraska. We got some pretty nasty stells popping off here. Let's see. Shoals included Carroll, Windside, Hoskins here, Randolph. This guy's in effect for 60 mile per hour wind gust, quarter size hail. Then west of that towards Osmond, Foster, Plainview, Crichton. This one's for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. So slightly bigger hail on this guy versus this one. But yeah, no, these storms out here indeed have the history of producing some, wind damage. Look at this, 53-mile-per-hour wind gusts. That's not damaging winds, but it's close. It has to be 58 miles per hour or more in terms of wind gusts to be considered damaging wind gusts. Now, in terms of, east of that here towards Wausau, let's see, we got ourselves several very large tree limbs down, greater than 1 foot in diameter. And let's see, another one, streets are impassable due to the number of large trees down. 63-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and south of McLean, we have another guy here for trees leaning against power lines near Highway 20. Wow. Let's see, Scott, another one, man. Holy cow. Dude, Scott, you are being super sweet, man. Thank you so much. That's very nice of you. Let's see here. But yeah, that's very, very nice of you, Scott. Thank you so much for helping us out, supporting the channel. Really means a lot. Let's see here. Liam, member for 6 months. Thank you, dude. Say part of the Category 1 club, says, wow, 6 months, half a year, man. Anyways, hello, Andrew. Hi. How are you today? I'm doing pretty good. Hope you're doing good yourself. Thank you. All right, let's see here. Back towards central Nebraska. We got some of these guys popping out here, too. These ones are pretty nasty themselves. Let's see here. Towards Ringgold. We got a storm out here towards Tyron. Or, sorry, not Tyron. Is it Tryon? Tryon? Is it Tryon? Tryon? Part of me wants to say it's Tryon, but I don't know. But yeah, we got it looks like a pretty nasty hail core in that storm there. Let's see here. Okay, damaging winds aren't. I probably won't exceed 60. Yeah, so 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible. But they put actually ping pong ball size hail on this guy. Like, that's some pretty large stuff there. Yeah. Correlation coefficient's really showing that differential in precipitation size, basically going from little drops of rain to big chunks of hail. So that's what the radar's basically saying, that there's a big difference between those big chunks of ice and those raindrops out there. How about South Carolina? No, I don't think. Yeah, the Carolinas I don't think has any risk today. Let's see. Let me double check though, just to make sure. No. However, look at this. We got a generalized thunderstorm threat out there for the entire state of South Carolina. So that's basically saying, hey, okay, there's a possibility for a few thunderstorms, but they're not expected to be anything severe, not expected to be damaging or anything like that. So South Carolina, you're good to go. Yeah. Let's see here, but yeah. Mary says yes, severe flooding. Yeah, that's a really big problem. So we mentioned this here a little bit ago, you guys. So for areas out in the northeastern United States here, let's go ahead and bring y'all back over here. We have a high risk for flooding out there for Vermont. I mean, seriously, like I said, this is historic. We've never had a high risk for flooding for Vermont. It's never been up there. Which is absolutely nuts. So, since, like I said, this has never happened before, it just goes to show you the magnitude of how bad it potentially could get, which is crazy, crazy, crazy stuff. Andrew, are we supposed to go to Stillwater in the morning around 7 a.m.? Then heavy rain should hit here. Has that changed? Is that Stillwater? Is that Oklahoma? Let me double check. Yeah, I'm guessing Stillwater, Oklahoma. Since you didn't include a state, I'm guessing that's it. Oh, okay. So you're basically traveling south. Gotcha. Like I said, I'm really not paying attention to the tomorrow right now, but just for you, you got a general thunderstorm threat. You're good. Yeah, like I said, there's just a lot of stuff to cover. We're not really picking it off here for tomorrow, but you're good. Yeah, today's your only concern. So since you say you're leaving tomorrow, I thought you did. Yeah, 7 a.m. So 7 a.m. tomorrow, you should be good. Ping pong ball, that's close to an inch. No, wait. That's the golf ball. So actually, that's actually larger. That's actually larger than half, or that's actually larger than quarter size hail there, Kala. So basically, here's a Gatorade cap. This is about $50 size hail, I'd say, maybe. slightly larger than quarter size. But ping pong ball size is larger. So a quarter is an inch in diameter. And a ping pong ball is 1.5. So 1.5 quarters is the size of ping pong ball size hail. Which, I mean, you should know what a ping pong ball looks like. Most people do. But yeah. Let's see here. Brad, thank you, dude. 6 months member on the Tropical Storm team. Thank you, man. Saying, keep up the great work, Andrew. We appreciate you. Well, thank you so much there, Brad. You are very, very welcome, and thank you so much. Let's see here. Don't have much power left in this tablet. Be safe there in Iowa, Minnesota. May listen later on. Take care. See you later. Nice one. New member. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, Brad. Even though Brad's not really a new member. Anyways. Could I please tell me about Columbia, Tennessee for this week? So like I said, I'm not really going into the depth for anything past today right now. Tomorrow I'll be live for Thanks Tomorrow, obviously. But let's see here. For today, for you. Tennessee, yeah, you guys are not even near risk here for today. I can really quickly look tomorrow. Nothing for tomorrow either. So, and the day after that. Only thing for day 3, which is, let's see, today is, what's today? Monday? Okay, so today's Monday. Tomorrow's Tuesday. This will be for Wednesday. For Western Tennessee is a possibility for a few storms. And obviously the Midwest is kind of targeted for Wednesday. Tuesday, here's tomorrow's threat. And then today's threat's obviously the biggest. Pretty large threat. I mean, going all the way from Texas to upper peninsula of Michigan. Crazy stuff. Anyways, Scott gifting another. Dude, Scott! This man is, like, on fire today. Like, bro, Scott, you're going to run your bank account dry, man, if you keep this up. Thank you, dude. Seriously, it really means a lot. And just know you don't have to donate. You don't have to gift memberships. You don't have to do any of that. As much as it helps out, it really does. But thank you so much. And just know that you don't have to do this. Let's see here. How's everyone doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Hope you're doing good yourself. Greetings from Canada. I don't know how to say that, but what's up, Max? Hope you're doing good. Hope everything's well with you. Hello from the hospital. Appendix gave out. Oh, well, 0, dude. I hope you good. I hope everything works out for you, man. That's terrible. All right, let's see. Hopping back up here to northeast Nebraska. Once again, we got some pretty gnarly storms out here for the northeastern side of Nebraska. Let's see here for Plainview, Osmond, Foster, Crichton. Let's see, Basil? Yeah, Basil Mills. That sounds right. Actually, for Crichton and Basil Mills, it's basically out of that area. Mostly for Foster, Osmond, and Plainview right now. Let's see here. That's for $half size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So watch out for those damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour being a possibility. Let's see here. Hey, Andrew, lived in Bartlett. How's the weather there? I live. Can you give me a zip code there, Savage? Faye says hi from Indiana. What's up? Mark says I can't afford to donate. Hey, don't worry about it, Mark. Like I said, seriously, y'all don't have to do that. Oh, wow. We actually got reports of... Wow, look at this. I didn't even notice this. Here towards Crichton. This must be a new report. But in Crichton, northeastern Nebraska, we got a pretty decent report out here for... golf ball size hail being reported. See, I'm surprised they didn't issue a watch, says Rain. Yeah. Scott says, haha, I'm done for today. You said that like five memberships ago, bro. Let's see here. Andrew, oh yeah. Carlos says, I used to be pretty good at ping pong. Actually, I didn't think they were that big. I never really thought about it. Hitting them with my paddle. Yeah. No, they're pretty big size. I mean, for hail anyways, I mean, you got to think ice is heavy. I'm sure if you guys live up north, you know that. From snow shoveling and stuff, ice is heavy. And so just imagine like cylinders, not complete cylinders, or not cylinders, spheres, not complete spheres of ice falling from the sky at terminal velocity. So depending on the hail size, it increases and decreases the rate of which it's falling. So obviously, the heavier the hailstone, the more quicker it's going to be falling, to some degree, but it has more drag. Anyways, that's more of a that's more of a different topic. But yeah, no, hail can get pretty big and it's really heavy too. So it hits hard. It really does. Let's see, Scott. Man, I told you, bro. Thank you, man. Once again, Scott, gifting another one. This man seriously is crazy. Judy says highest rainfall I've found for mines at is 2 p.m. Wow, crazy. See, Divine says Scott, you're on fire, bro. He is, dude. Scott is seriously, really supporting the channel today. Thank you so much, there, man. That's very, very sweet of you, bro. Thank you. Let's see here. Okay, let's go and do a little update here, y'all. Let's see. We got south. Okay, we actually got some storms popping off here. Towards, let's see, northeastern. Yeah, this is for northeastern Colorado, actually. The risk does, yeah, we do have a bit of a slight risk there for eastern Colorado, so we can expect some severe weather out there. Let's see here. So this is for Ray, Colorado. This actually moves into the bottom southwestern county of Nebraska. I don't know the exact name of the county. Let's see, including like areas north of Parks, Nebraska. Looks like a lot of farming land out here. But yeah, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, $half size hail. So yeah, main concern obviously is hail, but you know, some damaging wind gusts is possible as well. How's the weather for Nebraska today? Well, really, no matter where you're at in Nebraska, you have some form of threat. But let me look up that area for you, since you are in that, since you are in the state of Nebraska. Let's see. So you said for Kearney, Kearney. Let's see. Yeah, you got the slight risk. So yeah, you have the biggest, or not the biggest, but you have. Oh, hold on, that's wrong. Whoops, that's the wrong day. Whoops. Yeah, tomorrow you're actually in the slight risk. Let's see. Today, you're still in a slight risk. You're actually right next to that enhanced risk, though. You're actually right next to the biggest risk for today. Main concern is damaging winds and hail. There's really no shot for tornadoes, so don't gotta worry about that. Anyways, Savage says 38133. Okay, let's see. 38133. This is for Tennessee. Yeah, no, Tennessee, man. Like I said, I actually mentioned Tennessee. You guys are good to go. No, there's no threat for severe weather today in Tennessee, so y'all should be good. We're going to hop back to this program here. Yeah, I mean, you can see today's convective outlook does not include any of Tennessee. How long will I be live? I have no idea. As long as I can. I'm going to try to stream for a while today. We've already been live here for 45 minutes. Pushing that hour mark already. Let's see here. Marcus says, when should this hit my area? 79605. Let's see here. 79605 for Abilene. You got a marginal, my friend. Now your question is when. we got a few storms to your west right now, or we got a storm towards Snyder that's popping off here. Let's see. What about models? Okay, remember, models are not perfect, but this is just an estimate. Actually shows a few storms popping off here, like in the next couple of hours near you, but I wouldn't trust that. Yeah, I don't know. Most likelihood, the more later you go, it might even show. It might even show possibility there for like early morning tomorrow. For your risk, but like I said, it's a marginal. I mean, it's a very low, very low probability out there. All right, let's see here. But yeah, but as mentioned before, guys, I mean, we literally aren't even in the biggest risk for today. Like we literally we're not even in the biggest threat for today, and we're already starting to see a boatload of hail reports come through. So all these little orange rectangles here. So all these little orange rectangles, these are all hail reports coming through. Let's see here. Braden says 26104. Okay, 26104. West Virginia. Nope, no threat. Yeah, let me just let you guys know where the threat is today, because you know, for the people who's wondering. So, okay, so here's today's threat. You know what? I'm actually going to switch you guys over to the actual website for the Storm Prediction Center. So here we go. So this is the, you know, the outlook. So if you're okay, so listen up. This goes for everybody watching this stream right now, okay? This is how we're going to let you know if you're in a risk for severe weather or not, okay? So you see 4 shades of colors. We have a light green, a dark green, a yellow, and an orange, okay? If you're in a light green, there's a chance for thunderstorms, but they're not expected to be anything crazy. Obviously, the white, that means you have no chance, really no chance for thunderstorms even. But then you move into the dark green, which we have a few, actually quite a few people inside that dark green area, even the northeast portions of like Massachusetts. But that's a marginal risk. That's a level 1 out of 5. So that gives you a 5% chance of seeing severe weather. Okay, then we move into the yellow. Now that's where severe weather becomes from unlikely to possible. So this includes like Texas, obviously, from Texas all the way up to the upper state of Michigan, okay, or the upper peninsula of Michigan. That's a level 2 out of 5. Okay, just like I said, the scale goes up to 5. Then you have the orange. That is the bullseye for today. That is the worst, that's where severe weather is almost likely to occur across the areas in orange. So obviously, the major areas that's impacted for today includes, the major areas impacted for today includes, southwestern Nebraska and pretty much northwestern portions here of Kansas. So once again, if you're in the dark green, if you're in the yellow, or if you're in the orange, that is your severe risks here for today. Otherwise, in the white or the light green, no shot. Really no chance for severe weather today. Okay? So that is that. So now you guys should know if you are in the risk or not. Let's see. I'm more advanced stuff. New house is Viper. Gotcha. Yeah, it'll take time, man. You just gotta learn. I mean, I've learned a lot online and from actual meteorologists that I've been close with for years and years. All right, let's see. So latest update, they did just cancel a warning. A couple of them actually. So that one cell here for, let's see, let's hop over to close radar. I think KOAX here in Omaha is the closest radar we got. But we got a little cluster of thunderstorms popping off here. Let's see. Got ourselves, so we had a warning there for Windside and Carroll. That's no longer there. That's canceled. How does tomorrow's threat look? So tomorrow's threat, here, I'll show you really quickly. Boom, that's tomorrow's threat. So it's not as big, but we do have a slight risk here. So tomorrow is targeting Nebraska again. More of Iowa tomorrow. We got southern South Dakota in that possible risk, and northern, kind of northwestern Missouri in that slight risk. Anyways, let's see, southwestern Pennsylvania never gets anything. I hear you, Riley. Especially in the pattern we're in now, it seems like we're seriously like seeing a lot of activity. Whoa, things have really blown up in... Hold on a minute. That's new. Or that's probably not new, but I haven't seen that. Oh, man. Wow. That really exploded. That really exploded in the last several minutes. Since we went live to now. Oh, my gosh. That really exploded. Let's see. We got a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings. I believe these are mostly for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Got to put on my shades now because the sun's coming out. Let's see. Scott again, bro, with another one. Scott, thank you so much, man. Any 18-wheeler size hail? Nope. Let's see. Okay, we're going to hop back over here to Nebraska. Yeah, Scott, man, thank you so much, dude. Let's see. You really have a heart? Absolutely. Yeah, Scott does. Scott is amazing. Thank you so much, man. Let's see. Whatever falls from the sky, the house cave in. What? Bro, no. Let's see. Hey, Andrew. When will the storms hit Melrose, Iowa? Let's see here. Melrose. Oh, wait, hold up. Melrose, Iowa. Okay, you got a general thunderstorm, man. It's not even guaranteed you're going to see storms. The odds aren't in your favor, really. Yeah, but like I said, I had to turn on sunglass mode because it's that time of the day again where the sun pierces through. It's the most annoying time of the day. I'm gonna remember around 7 o'clock is whenever this happens. Bro, it's terrible. All right, let's see here. What's going on with this guy? Okay, ping pong ball size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This is a storm in central Nebraska here. Let's see, towards Ringgold still. Yeah, it definitely looks like it's popping off here. Wow, look at that core. That area in the, obviously that turquoise blue we have. Yeah, that turquoise blue we have, that's a big hail core right there. Yeah, possibly even some gusty winds or potential damaging winds out of this one. So, keep an eye on it. Let's see here. But yeah, we'll definitely need to be watching out for that. All right, hopping back to northwestern Iowa. Let's see, we got this going on here. Yeah, we got a fair amount of reports coming through here. Golly. Yeah, we got a fair amount of reports coming through from northwestern Iowa here. Let's see, anywhere from 1 inch to golf. So literally anywhere from quarter size to golf ball size hail is being reported up here for northwestern Iowa. Let's see here, got a severe thunderstorm warning for Milford. Let's see here, Forest. Let's see, Fostoria, Fostoria, Everly. Let's see, Superior, Terrell, Orleans. Yeah, it looks like a lot of people is included in this warning here. Let's see here.
Permission to interrupt.
Oh my gosh, you scared me, bro.
I just sent you something in DMs. They've confirmed an EF1 tornado from yesterday evening.
What? Where?
Yep. That's in Delaware, I believe.
Wow. Yeah, DE.
Yep. Unwarned through a populated area.
Holy cow.
So, yeah, I just wanted to bring that to your attention.
100 miles an hour estimated.
Pretty strong EF1, that's for sure.
Yeah. Did you see all the reports we're getting up in northwest Iowa?
Yeah, I actually have a camera up there right now.
Nice. Yeah. Also, central and northeastern Nebraska. We're getting a lot of reports. It's almost like a big line of just hail reports, and we haven't even reached the biggest threat for today yet.
Yeah, not even in the enhanced. Any storms, I believe.
They're getting close though. Looking.
Yeah, that.
Look out southwest. Yeah, look at southwest Nebraska.
A tiny severe there.
We got a special weather statement for inside the enhanced though.
Yeah, that line's supposed to strengthen towards.
Oh my gosh, dude, that was so weird. So on my screen, for a split second, there was a warning that got issued and immediately withdrawn.
Wow, that's weird.
Like it popped up for Benkelman.
If you go to the northwestern Kansas radar, KGLD, there's an alpha boundary to the west, and it's firing up storms. That looks really cool. Very strong alpha boundary right there.
Let's see.
Northwestern Kansas.
You said KGLD?
Yep. Oops, severe thunderstorm watch.
A new one?
KGLD. Yes.
Is that for Wisconsin?
Thunderstorm watch. That is going to be for, yes, Wisconsin.
Oh, they did it. The 40%.
Couple tornadoes possible.
The 40% verified.
Yep. Oh, wow. Yeah, it did. Till 1 a.m. our time.
Let's see. Yeah. Oh, now okay, now Benkelman's now under a warning. So storms are now starting to move into the enhanced risk area.
Yeah. Couple tornadoes possible, apparently. Surprised about that one. I didn't think we'd have anything about tornadoes.
I mean, they are in at 2% though.
Did you see that outflow boundary?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, really strong outflow boundary right there.
We actually got some storms popping off in eastern Colorado.
Southeastern Colorado as well.
Yeah, towards Springfield.
Yeah, main thing was just that confirmed tornado. It was unwarned yesterday.
Yeah. Huh.
Alrighty.
Okay, well, I'll check back in with you in a little bit.
Alright.
Alright, see ya. Okay. So, That was TRG. He's a good friend of mine. Let's see here. Who is that voice? It's Justin, my friend. What's my favorite amusement park? Not really a big fan of amusement parks. My girlfriend is though. Holy cow, she loves them. Let's see here. Okay, so we're gonna hop back over to Nebraska. Central Nebraska. We're gonna actually pop up the warning window here. Severe considerable. Yeah, the worst severe thunderstorm warnings right now are in Nebraska. Now I'm in a severe thunderstorm warning, says Peggy. All right, well, stay safe out there. Yeah, let's actually look at that watch that TRG said it got issued. I just got the notification that it just got issued here. That just reminded me. So let's take a look at this watch. Apparently they did issue that watch under that low probability mesoscale discussion. Like I said, they only gave it a 40% chance, and it actually verified. Let's see here. Let me pop up. I might have to pull it up on Twitter, actually, because the product is not available yet. So, let's see. Storm Prediction Center. Here we go. Wow, that's a pretty big watch, actually. Yeah, here you go. There's a new watch they just now issued. They included, let's see, they did not include Minneapolis, actually. This is not going to Minnesota. So this is just for like central, kind of north central and north central Wisconsin, tracking into upper state of Michigan here. So Wausau is inside of the watch. Interesting. So we'll give it a few minutes for it to pop up on the actual website, because I know it takes minutes before you can actually even see it. It actually did pop up on my other program though. But my goodness, I mean, literally since the beginning of this live stream, guys, literally at the beginning of the live stream, it was like completely, I mean, I wouldn't say completely quiet, but there was like no storms out there, and there is storms everywhere on it now, which is crazy. Let's see here. Really crazy. Any watches or warning in Texas? I don't think so. No. We got a few storms popping off in Central Texas, but like I said, you guys aren't even really in the risk here today. Oh, I lied. I was on the wrong day. That'll do it. So yeah, no, today we do have a risk, mostly for the Panhandle and slightly south towards like Lubbock, and mostly just north of Abilene. Although areas towards like Dallas does have a little marginal risk out there. Oh. Is that a new mesoscale discussion? Uh-oh. Hold on a minute. Yeah, that purple box you're all seeing here, is that new? I might need to interrupt TRG again here in a minute. No, I don't think that's new. Okay, no, it's not new. For a second, I was like, wait a minute. So that has to be a part of this watch, the one they issued for western Kansas here. Max hail up to 2.5 inches in diameter and 75-mile-per-hour wind gust for that guy. For Nebraska, 2.5-inch hail maximum, 75-mile-per-hour wind gust. And Wisconsin, maximum 2-inch hail and 70-mile-per-hour wind gust. Anyways, what's up, Cries? Let's see here. Hoping to go to Dollywood. I've been to Dollywood once. Let's see here. But yeah. Abilene, Texas, just waiting for storms to get back together. Yeah, I hear you. No, Abilene, I believe, is the, yeah, Abilene does, oh, no, you're actually in the marginal. So you're in that small chance. But it looks like there is a little bit of storms popping off to your west. All right, we're going to hop back to main radar, y'all. Got quite an impressive outflow boundary out here towards the north side of the storm here. A lot of nasty, severe storms popping out across central Nebraska. You know, it's really Nebraska we need to watch right now. Holy cow! Look at satellite now, y'all. That's getting pretty crazy. Things are starting to come pretty colored here. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. There's the loop. Y'all can see. So obviously we're starting to see a lot of that growth occurring in central Nebraska right now. Oh, new mesoscale discussion. Hold on a minute. Oh, I might need to interrupt TRG. Let's see. This is for, oh, hold on a minute. 7:01 p.m. What? What's this about? Oh, never mind. I don't need to interrupt him. It's for the watch area. They're just saying that the watch continues. Okay, we're good. Let's see here. I got a friend in Louisiana. She's probably got nothing to worry about until tomorrow. Yeah. Actually, Louisiana does have a marginal today. It's not really overwhelming to be like, worried about it. I would not worry about it if you're in a marginal, but I would, if a warning gets issued, obviously pay attention to it. But odds are pretty low for severe weather today. And actually, yeah, tomorrow there's another little marginal. So between today and tomorrow, there's a small chance for a few severe storms possible. Seems like every time this type of system happens, we get the. I think, did you say you mean residue here overnight? Is that what you mean, bro? Anyways, Gray says, what will Minnesota get tonight? So southern Minnesota, it's kind of like central southern, including Minneapolis, does have a risk for severe weather today. Tornado probability, there is a small chance for a couple of brief spin-up tornadoes for the far south side of Minnesota. Let's see, in terms of hail, we got a pretty decent chance for hail, and damaging winds, fairly decent. So your main concern is, damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, maybe 70 tops, and hail up to 1 inch in diameter, or quarter size. Maybe slightly higher in some, could be possible, but they're not expected to exceed 2 inches in diameter. Yep. Let's see here. Let's see. Residual, meaning like leftover. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm terrible with other words. Thanks for explaining that. Anyways, let's see here. Just gonna hop back over to the back to central Nebraska here, y'all. Got a pretty gnarly storm popping up. Ooh, we got some more cells popping up behind this. Look at this. So we have this pretty nasty cell over Ringgold right now. It's rolling through. Yeah, over Ringgold right now. So I'm sure you guys are probably getting some pretty large hail. They have the warning for ping pong ball size hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts possible. Okay. Yeah, we got quite an outflow boundary on this storm too. That's what I really want to show you guys. Look at that. Really strong outflow boundary. Am I still the zipper from the other day? What? Zipper? Let's see here. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Let's see. Doodle wants me to look at Dallas. Dallas does have a small risk today, but the odds are very, very low and not really in your favor of seeing anything severe today. Tell you what, we're actually gonna drop the. Okay. I'm actually gonna drop the nationwide radar. We're gonna turn on to some powerful radar activity here. There we go. So let's see. So basically, gotta pull myself down here. Here we go. So out there towards Dallas right now. Whoops, not that far. Got a little bit of activity popping off. Here we go. You can see in the last little bit here, we've had a little bit of thunderstorm activity to the southwest of Dallas, but right now it's not really anything crazy. I think outflow bounds are some of the neatest things to watch on radar. Oh, I agree. Sometimes you can even see them on satellite if they're well defined. Just crazy. They're really, really cool. I mean, there's some right there actually going through Dallas. You see those waves? Pretty sure. Actually, I don't think those are outflow. Those might be just gravity waves. Yeah, I don't think those are outflow boundaries because there was not even any storms that spawned them. Interesting. But yeah, we got a little bit of activity popping off out here. Funny because no one gets, which seems rather odd to me, being as spelled as it is. Hello. Yeah. All right, let's see here. But it looks like the cells or the storms are getting ready to start moving into that risk area. Good news is we got a pretty good radar coverage. I wish the radar was like in the direct center of this risk, but it'll do. But you can see we already have that breach. The enhanced risk has been breached here towards Bankelman for hail up to penny size, which is nothing really to worry about. Penny size hail is 0.75 inches. And in terms of damaging wind gusts, winds up to 60 mile per hour if possible. But anyways, let's see here. So you've been okay. I'm also making hamburger helper. Gonna have cheeseburger mac shortly. Sounds good. Nice. I'm still in debate of dinner. Y'all are talking about dinner. Man, that sounds good. I had some chicken noodle soup for lunch. That's all I had. All I had to eat today. All right, let's see here. Okay, it looks like we got a new warning for Nebraska. Let's see, we have Greeley Center and Spalding inside of the severe thunderstorm warning. It's a new warning they just put out here. $half size hail, 60 mile per hour wind gusts possible. So we'll need to keep an eye out for those. Yeah, it's really mostly northeastern. It's really mostly northeastern Colorado or northeastern Nebraska that's getting hit pretty good right now. Let's see. Yeah, for basically, we got some reports of some really itty bitty small size hail, and we got some reports of fairly decent. These guys up in northwestern Iowa are cranking pretty good hail, from what it looks like. Hey, W, do you like the custom recipe for what? Would you like a custom recipe for mozzarella sticks? I don't know if now's the time to be discussing mozzarella stick recipes, but if you want to put it in chat, sure. Let's see. I got reports of 60 mile per hour wind gusts out here, y'all, in east of May City, Iowa. Let's see. See, I love mozzarella sticks. Yeah, they're good. Peggy says windy here. Stay safe out there, Peggy. Oh, it looks like we're starting to get some cells popping off here in Minnesota. I've seen it on satellite first. Let's see. Yep. Got an itty bitty little cell popping off here towards Alden and Conger for South Central. See, chicken noodle. I like chicken and noodles put together. Definitely not a soup. Chicken noodle soup's good. We're starting to get a lot of activity up in Wisconsin, you guys. Like I said, I'm really glad that they end up issuing that watch there. Let's see. I really don't have any close radars here. But we're going to go with KARX here. Let's see. Ladysmith. Yep. New warning out here. Let's see here. So we have Ladysmith included. Tony, Glenflora, Hawkins, Conrath, and Bruce. Inside the warning. What's up, Brenda? Yeah, it's a new warning in effect here. Let's see what main concern is. 60 mile per hour wind gusts, $half size hail. Seems like that's kind of what a lot of these warnings are for right now. Is up to that ping pong ball size, or sorry, $half size. Let's see here. Carson says, Andrew, my friend, may I please see 27012 for tomorrow's? Thanks, you rock. This man put me on the spot. It's like, how can I say no if you say thanks? I'm just kidding. I can't always get to everybody's, but I will do that real quickly. You said for 27012. North Carolina, okay. I don't think you're in the risk tomorrow. You're not even in a thunderstorm risk, dude. Yet alone a severe thunderstorm risk. You're good. Let's see. I work at Chick-fil-A, and my favorite is the classic sandwich. Braden, you should give me a discount on a chicken sandwich. That sounds good. I'm kidding. Let's see. My mom makes good mashed potatoes. I don't like mashed potatoes. That's a heated topic. People are gonna probably hate on me for that. I don't like mashed potatoes or baked potatoes. No. I'm waiting for a lot of hate now from that, because a lot of people like baked potatoes and stuff, but I never have. All right, let's see here. Back over to Nebraska. Let's see, we got Bartlett here. Let's see, Erickson, Elgin, Rayville, Oakdale, Neely. Let's see, Battle Creek, Norfolk, Hedar, Pierce. You guys are in a warning. All of you guys I just mentioned there. Let's see. Yeah, but like I said, really central and northeast Nebraska is getting pounded by all this severe weather activity, which is crazy. Let's see here. Yeah, also like northeastern Colorado, we got a few storms out towards Ray and Eckley, I think. Deborah said, I like that necklace I have on. Thank you. Yeah, I've had it for a couple of years. Me and my girlfriend, she lives far away. She's long distance. She lives in Florida while I live in Kentucky. And whenever we see each other, we always trade this back and forth. So sometimes you'll see me with it, sometimes you won't. So sometimes she'll have it in Florida, sometimes I'll have it in Kentucky. It's kind of our thing, but thank you. No, I've had it for years. I've had it for probably 4 or 5 years, maybe. Thank you. Let's see, sorry, Andrew. Thanks for checking, my friend. No problem. No problem. Let's see, cluster of thunderstorms says rain. Yeah. Yeah, big old cluster popping off here in Nebraska. Let's see here. Yeah, it's really crazy to look at the satellite view out there. I mean, things are really cranking here. Let's see. We're going to go regional. Yeah, we're going to go regional to here we go, to a lot of the Central Plains here. I mean, look at that. We got a whole line of storms popping. I mean, it literally goes even down to, like, Texas, western Texas here. Ragtie says, speaking of Florida. See, Cries. I'm just going to call you Cries because I don't know how you pronounce that. How is it not Cries? Anyways, never had Chick-fil-A. Oh, you're missing out. It's good. But anyways, yeah, no, the storms are popping all the way from western Texas, going straight up through New Mexico into eastern Colorado. And you can see it's like a big arc. It really shows today's risk, actually. Let's see here. Oh, that's not even a scene. That's just a blank screen. Hold on. There we go. Anyways. But yeah, we gotta see. That's today's risk. It's just kind of like a big arch, kind of. And like I said, back on satellite, you could actually see that the whole thing popping off. So that's an awesome story, my necklace. Thank you. Let's see. I don't know. I just haven't. You're missing out. Seriously. All right. Let's see here. We're gonna. Oh wow. Yeah. That's the bad thing. Is the lack of cloud cover. So, for example, back over here at the satellite view, you can actually see that's the visible. Like if you were to literally look with your own eyes, that's what you would see. And it's crazy because there's like no cloud cover. So typically, if you have these severe weather events and there's a lot of cloud cover beforehand, that can actually stop activity. Let's see. Atlantic 1040 for development. What? It got upgraded to 40% chance? All right, we need to switch over to the tropics real quickly, y'all. Let's see here. I'm gonna hop y'all over here to the tropics. Oh wow. Yeah, you're right. Sure are. Yeah, I didn't even notice that. 1040. Subtropical to tropical depression. Wow. So they mentioned it could even be tropical. I don't think it would not. It wouldn't even impact anywhere, so I wouldn't be worried about it, guys. I mean, if anything, it's just going to get caught up by the jet stream and just head up northeast. Let's see here. It may be 50 as of 8 p.m. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, the Hurricane Center updates 5 and 8 p.m. I think. But yeah, thanks for letting me know. All right, we're not getting much reports in Nebraska anymore, but we still got some pretty gnarly storms popping off here. We do have a lot of reports still coming in here for Iowa, actually, though. Let's see here. Yeah, we got reports literally from penny-size hail to golf ball-size hail. Oh, it even looks like more storms are starting to pop up here in northwest Nebraska. Or, sorry, Iowa. Northwest Iowa. But anyways, yeah, we got some pretty gnarly reports. We've even had a couple of wind reports, too. Reports of... let's see here. We've had reports of damaging winds and actually trees reported down here. Let's see here. Gotta go eat. Be back soon. All right, sounds good. All right, let's see here. The National Hurricane Center isn't late. The SPC is, says Carson. They SPC updates at 9. Yeah, 9 p.m. I think is a new update, which they'll probably continue to. I think they'll just keep the same risk they have for the 9 p.m. update, essentially. Yeah, they're probably not going to do much to the update here. All right, let's see. Or to the risk, I should say. Oh, look at that. New warning. Spirit Lake, Iowa, Milford, let's see, Fostoria, Spencer, Dickens, Terrell, Superior. They just actually extended that warning, or expanded it. Just for 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Not really any hail concerns out of that one. So, that's good news. Goodness, yeah, things are starting to really pop off here in Nebraska, though. Or not. Did I just call? Oh my gosh, I just called Wisconsin, Nebraska. Bro, it's not the first time I've done this. I do it all the time. Sorry, northern Wisconsin. Whoa, we got kind of two lines forming, it looks like. Interesting. Let's see, we'll try this radar. I might need to pull up the radar, the satellite here. I'm actually going to talk to TRG about that real quickly. Do I have permission to speak?
No, you don't. I mean, yeah.
Okay, well, have a good one.
No, you got permission.
So, I don't know if you looked up in Wisconsin, but there's like two lines.
That's what I'm looking at now.
2 lines that's forming.
Let's see, I'll have to go to the MRMS because of the stubborn radar hole here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see it.
The second
1, 2
line,
lines.
it's like just starting to take shape here, but the second line behind is not really severe yet. Yeah.
Yep. Did you see these supercells in Michigan right there? Panhandle. Peninsula.
Panhandle in Michigan.
Peninsula. And we just got a mesoscale discussion for a potential watch. I wonder where that will be.
Yeah.
I think that's for northern Iowa and southern Minnesota. So the remainder of where we don't have a watch, pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at that one cell you talked. There's one over Little Lake. It looks like it has a little hook on it, but there's no velocities for it.
Yeah, we've had that supercell for a very long time. Been a long-lasting cell.
I wonder what the lower-level jet stream is out there.
And I don't... Well, honestly, it should be pretty good because you have that huge trough in Canada.
It has to at least be 20 knots.
Yeah, it's got to be decent.
Let's see here. Let me look real quickly. Upper air. Actually, it's showing up to 30 knots.
Yeah, because you got that huge trough in Canada.
Oh yeah.
That's why
that thing's been stalling for a while.
Oh my word. Hold on. Yep, GFS has brought back that tropical system, by the way. It's doing its fantasy runs again. The GFS.
What? Hold on. We need a detour over here real quickly.
Maybe not a hurricane, but it's doing its fantasy runs. Yeah. I don't know what it's doing. Very end of the loop, of course, because, it's got to be.
Am I even looking at the right? You said GFS, right?
Yeah, GFS. Make
Where?
Sure you're not
I don't
on,
see it.
2Z here. Let me go see. Oh, Andrew's got his shades out.
I do.
Let's
yeah, I
see.
had the sun was piercing through the window here, so I had to put them on.
Oh, it's not even. It's right there at Louisiana. You see it at the last frame. It's just some rain. It's not a
Oh,
hurricane or anything.
Really? I
Yeah.
wouldn't count that.
It is a tropical system,
That's
though.
nothing.
Oh,
I'm-
there's that mesoscale discussion.
Did
by
you
the way.
see though in the tropics they put a 1040,
Yeah, I did.
and
Out
they
there in the
actually
middle of nowhere.
mentioned tropical depression or subtropical.
Yeah, I go for subtropical.
I would too. I mean, even then, I'm not worried about it because it's just gonna get caught up in the jet stream in the central Atlantic, and it's not gonna do anything.
Well, it's gonna impact the fish. Gotta think of the fish
Well,
now,
no,
Andrew.
the fish are underwater. They're not gonna be feeling it.
Never know.
The birds, that's what's affecting.
Yeah. Oh, the NHC just issued something.
What?
Yeah, tropical weather outlook. 1040 still.
Oh, they just updated it?
Yep, still 1040.
Gotcha.
Wow, right as you're talking about it.
I think it's gonna continue to grow in support, honestly. I mean, because if you look at the GFS with it, I mean, it shows a really strong low pressure system developing.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. Whoa. Okay, that just went considerable in the enhanced risk zone for winds. That's because of the outflow boundary, Andrew.
Oh yeah, we're
It's
starting
gotten
to get
so strong.
ooh 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Yeah,
Yep.
still
There's
got
that outflow
penny-sized hail.
boundary. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's a really strong outflow boundary on that thing.
I'd be
Golly.
surprised if they do another one to the west. But
Yeah,
that's the
and to the
strongest
south
area.
too.
Yeah.
Oh
They just
man,
did a severe to the south for a storm. Oh,
Yeah.
that's been there for a while.
we're starting to get the beginnings of the worst event now.
Yep.
The big stuff is getting ready to start popping off here.
Don't forget to talk about that mesoscale discussion.
New one.
Yeah, the one in Minnesota.
Dude,
Iowa.
you always receive these alerts before I do, even on Twitter.
I'm fast.
It's like I don't know how you do it, bro. It's like you have a direct link to the Storm Prediction Center.
I do.
You're friends
know,
with
right
the
when they get
forecasters out
issued.
there.
Yep. From Norman.
Let's see.
So,
Here, can you send me it in Discord?
oh no, you don't even have it yet, Andrew.
No, I don't. Where's it at?
Andrew.
Bro,
come
I don't
on
know. It's
now.
not popping up in my.
It's already on the site, dude. It's already on the site.
What? Oh, it's on
Oh.
the website. Bro, I didn't
Whoa.
get it. Let's see.
You still don't have it? I got it on the
Oh, I got
site.
it. I got it now.
Okay, thank you. Good.
40%
I want-
chance.
There's a severe up here in Pennsylvania.
Come
I
on,
don't
they
know
gotta
if you saw
connect.
that.
They gotta connect all those watches together, else that's gonna drive me crazy.
Yeah, they better. They had
Come
better.
on, they put a 40% chance. I mean, we've seen the miracle of the Wisconsin system get actually watched.
Yeah. This one looks weaker though, but maybe they'll do it. Hopefully they
No,
will.
I tell you what, it was a good thing they definitely put that watch out there for Wisconsin and obviously upper state of Michigan,
Yeah,
because
it was
activity
needed.
has started to really kick off.
Unlike all the models that were saying there'd be
Yeah,
nothing.
models didn't show much, did they?
Yeah, they showed like nothing except for in the peninsula of Michigan.
Yeah. No, we're starting to get some cell activity in southern Minnesota too right now.
Minnesota. Oh yeah, that's over here. Special weather statement in that area.
I think I called Wisconsin, Nebraska today.
Well, I called a peninsula panhandle. So
Yeah.
to be fair though, that's kind of the same wording. Peninsula panhandle. They're both P.
Oh my gosh.
Just mixed them up.
Someone in my chat said, "Have I ever had chocolate covered ants?"
What?
That's gross.
Okay, you can go now, Andrew.
All right, see you later, man.
See ya.
Oh my gosh. See, you ran him away, Carson. What are you doing, man? With your weird questions. All right, but yeah, no, they put a mesoscale discussion there for southern Minnesota, northeastern Iowa. So, yeah, I have no idea how he gets those updates so early, and I don't. Let's see. But anyways, let's see. But yeah, no, it's a 40% chance. So it's unlikely, but with that being said, though, they did put a They did put a they had a 40% chance for this watch before it got issued too, and they ended up going with it. So I don't know if we can get that same thing going on. We'll have a new watch. See here, there's more thunderstorms off to my west. Okay, well, rain. Like I said, stay safe, man. How's Justin, Texas today? The things I do for you guys. Let's see. Justin, Texas, general thunderstorm threat. So there's no big severe weather threat for you tomorrow. Today is a marginal. But I tell you what, y'all, we got some pretty interesting activity starting to pop up here. Let's see. Yeah, the worst storm right now is actually starting to move its way into, moving its way into that enhanced risk area. I mean, look at this. Very strong outflow boundary here. We have McDonald, we have Bird City, Atwood. Let's see, severe thunderstorm warning for 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. We might have cameras out here in Kansas. Let me try. I have a whole network of cameras. Let's see, we got Kansas. Where's Kansas? There you go. There's Kansas. I wasn't sure. See, some of the state cameras are good. Some of them are bad. Camera. Oh, here we go. Nope, there's still pictures. Oh, hold on a minute. Never mind. Camera's out towards that cell. Well, this sucks. All the cameras are out towards the storms. Let's try Nebraska. I might actually have some cameras out in Nebraska, actually, that we can look at. Let's see here. Let's see here. Okay. Y'all can look at that cell for a second while I pull it up. Let's see. Nebraska. I wasn't sure how good Nebraska's cameras were either. Yeah, Nebraska cameras are still photos. Dang it! Well, that sucks. I might be able to get a. Oh wow. Okay, well we got some pictures. That's about all we got. But there's some pictures here of. So obviously the severe warnings are here. Wow, pointing right at the road there. We need some, like, video cameras here. Huh. Anyways. Alright, let's hop back over here to the radar, guys. Yeah, that radar's, or that one's kind of useless. I'll keep an eye on the Kansas one, though, because the Kansas one actually does show, or actually does have cameras. So, we'll need to watch out for those. Quick stop to say hi and drop a like. Well, thank you, Coffee. Glad to have you here, man. So I did that funny and scared TRG way. You did. You did. All right, let's see here. But guys, if you've not already, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and most importantly, share this, guys, with your friends and family. Send it to them right now. That way, you guys, can make sure that they're updated with severe weather their way and stuff like that. I mean, like I said, even during, even during days across the country where there's not severe weather. I mean, who knows? Maybe one day I will be covering your area. So I cover everywhere in the United States, not just these areas. So I want to make that clear. So if you guys have not already, so hit that subscribe button, share it. Be greatly appreciated. All right, we're going to hop back up here to, let's see. We're going to hop back up to Upper State, Michigan. Because we do got some pretty nasty cells. Wow, a lot of the Upper State's getting covered. Look at all those storms out there. Holy cow. Wow. A lot of, oh, that one's trying to hook. Or that one is hooking. Look at that. See, it kind of has like a little fish hook resemblance to it. Let's see here. I don't see no rotation on it though. So that's good news in itself. Yeah, so I don't see any of that. See, more or less, thanks for you as well. Okay, we got some reports in northern Wisconsin, guys, of hail anywhere from ½ inch to quarter size. Not really too crazy hail-wise, but more we move down to the bigger risk area. You know, we got actually hail reports up to the biggest hail reports here. Like I said, what we got here is, you know, actually, let's see here. Hail reports up to 2 inches today is the biggest. See, TRG says that's great. Get Andrew out of here before he says something else. Oh my gosh. It's all your fault, Carson. You're the one who ran him away. Alright, let's see. Well, we got kind of a long line of wind reports coming here from southwestern Nebraska to northwestern Kansas here. Let's see. Yeah, look at that thing on velocity. Wow. Yeah, we just got a 45-mile-per-hour wind gust report here from wind gusts and blowing dust, reducing visibility to ½ to 3/4 of a mile from that outflow boundary. That's crazy. So, I mean, like I said, look at that long. That's what we call an outflow boundary. These guys are basically just a bunch of cold air that smacks down to the surface. Ooh. You know what? These outflow boundaries are about to collide. That's probably going to spark some thunderstorms. All right, I need to talk to TRG again. TRG? He's probably like, what, dude?
Yeah. What'd you see?
So, look over towards northwestern Kansas. You know where that outflow boundary is you were talking about?
Yep.
There's actually about to be a collision between two outflow boundaries. And I don't know if you've ever seen it, but in some cases, it can actually spark off a pretty nasty thunderstorm.
What about a baby cell?
There's actually a dying baby cell behind that second outflow boundary.
You talking? Oh, I see it.
You see, they're compressing, they're colliding.
Northwest of the radar site, huh?
Yep, towards hail.
Yeah, I do see that.
So I would watch that region over the next 30 minutes or so.
May end up doing something.
Like I said, I've seen multiple occasions where, as you have these two boundaries collide, they can turn pretty nasty because you get really strong updrafts.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it gets a thunderstorm there.
I wouldn't either. But I just want to tell you that.
All right, sweet. Thanks.
Yep, no problem. Okay. I feel like that was worthy of mentioning. Let's see. Lots of trees in that area. Tree damage is not a joke. Oh yeah, for sure, absolutely. I mean, like I said, that's one serious outflow boundary. So, like I said, guys, I've seen multiple occasions. Okay, I've seen multiple occasions of, you know, these two outflow boundaries colliding here, and they have nowhere to go. So they're basically pushing together, and they have nowhere to go but up. So all this warm air that's collected at the surface gets shot up into the cold atmosphere above, which that will, like, at really fast speeds, which is crazy. Anyways, let's see here. Okay, so yeah, we got a new warning out here for southwestern Kansas here. Let's see, for Richfield, Rolla, Mantor, let's see, Johnson, Syracuse. See here, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, quarter-size hail. That's not really too bad. Gosh, 2 times in a stream in a row, sneezing. I'm up.
Now I gotta tell you something.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, what's up?
We have a observed destructive severe for 2.75-inch hail.
Whoa, where?
Lincoln, Nebraska.
In Lincoln?
Yep.
What?
Maybe in Lincoln and maybe to the south. I'm not sure.
I
got the notification, so
there's not even any cells out in Lincoln, Nebraska.
It's in Nebraska.
There's not even any storms in Nebraska.
It's southern Nebraska.
I am so concerned. We have a few baby cells.
Dead south of the radar site in central Nebraska.
Is it out of that kind of cluster of storms?
Yeah, maybe.
That's nowhere near Lincoln.
Well, it's in that jurisdiction, so
Hmm.
that's why I got it from Lincoln. Yeah, Lincoln County. Lincoln County.
Oh,
That's
okay.
what it is.
I was about to
Okay.
say.
I just looked at it and it says Lincoln County. Okay, well that makes sense.
That's a big
but
difference.
It's observed. Yeah, it's observed too. So
I'm
there's
sure
a
I'll see it
report
pop
eventually.
up. Ooh, hold on a minute. Oh. Oh. Yep, for North Plate.
Yeah, I was gonna say the name, but I didn't want to butcher it like you
Is it-
just did.
I'm second guessing myself. Okay, I'm just gonna call it North Plate. But yeah, they put up to baseball size hail.
North Plate.
So that got observed before they even had it warned for that.
Yeah,
Golly.
it went from severe to considerable straight to destructive.
Yeah,
again.
that's crazy. Yeah, I do see Lincoln County now.
Well,
Cool.
yeah. That's just what I wanted to tell you before you saw it.
Oh, you're gonna beat me to it, huh?
Yeah, had to.
All right. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. So yeah, you heard that there. That's crazy. So we apparently have reports up to baseball size hail. Brenda says got done making dinner. Sounds good. Holy cow. Yeah, this is the storm that apparently baseball size hail was reported. Just crazy. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Pat says bless you, thank you. Yeah, I sneezed before TRG. I sneezed like as soon as TRG said something. See, watching a large thunderstorm moving towards Elko. Elcho, Wisconsin. We'll send you some pictures, says Logan. Gotcha. Thank you, man. Yeah, I mean, like I said, if you guys have any photos that you took, because I can get in trouble if y'all send me ones that are not your photos. But if it's something that you took, then I will be able to share it to you. Let's see here, Platt. Is it? Oh, it's Platt, not Plate. Let's see here. Anyways, all right. Let's see here. Hopping back up to Iowa, we got still got that severe thunderstorm popping off there, kind of running out of the radar zone though. It sucks. Yeah, we don't have much good radar coverage up in northern Iowa. Did I say Nebraska? Sorry, I meant Iowa. If I said Nebraska. Let's see here. So this is we got reports of golf ball size hail. Reports of winds up to 62 miles per hour. There we go. There's that report of 2.75 inches. Yeah, it took a minute from a National Weather Service employee. Yikes. Yeah, look at that core there. I tell you what, we're gonna slice that. Oh my goodness. Yep, that's a tall thunderstorm. Holy cow. See, well, I wonder if the echo tops are on that. 50,000 feet. That's fairly decent. That's a fairly decent thunderstorm out there. Pretty tall. Tell you what, we're actually gonna look at velocity on that guy. I don't know. It's not in a tornado environment here, but we'll keep an eye on it. Let's see here. We're gonna go ahead and do a little volumetric scan here. That's of the whole storm there. 3D view. Golly, that thing's a. Oh, I can't really see that too well. There you go. Yeah, that thing's a beast. Let's see here. How's everyone day today? Says Trent. Good. Carson, you weird, bro. Yeah, Carson, you are a little strange. Let's see here. I don't think Mother Nature is playing very nice with the sun out in a few clouds. Yeah. No, I mean, lack of clouds before an event can be pretty good for the thunderstorms. Let's see here. 60-mile-per-hour winds. Yeah, so once again, y'all, this the event's getting ready to get started. I tell you what, I need to do something real quickly. I need to pull up a place file here for the day one outlook here real quickly. Let's see here. Outlook, here we go. Day one convective outlook. Perfect. All right, let's see. We're going to turn to place file manager. I'm going to add this guy. Perfect. There we go. Now we got the day one outlook on here. Anyways, but yeah, the storms are starting to roll their way into the region here. Into that enhanced zone. So basically, like I said, across the areas in orange, that's the biggest risk. So that big orange circle you guys see there, that's today's biggest risk. Okay, that we'll need to definitely need to watch. Let's see here. Gonna change to Nebraska. We got a few of the storms. Yeah, these guys are in the slight risk at level 2 out of 5 here. Let's see. Norfolk. We have Creston, Lye, Clarkson, Madison. Let's see. Quarter size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gust. West of that, 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, quarter size hail. North of that, 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, quarter size hail. They're all like 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, quarter size hail. Let's see here. Storm I'm looking at has blocked out the sun. Got you, Logan. Well, like I said, stay safe, dude. All right, we're gonna do a little update on this guy. Yeah, once again, we got a real nasty report here from areas of North Platte. I think it was. Yeah, North Platte here. We got reports of baseball size hail in Lincoln County, Nebraska. This is not Lincoln, Nebraska. Yeah, but baseball size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts here. Storm's not really moving that fast either. It's only moving south at 25 miles an hour, so it's hardly moving. Let's see. I hate my phone just randomly closing YouTube, then starts glitching when I get back in. Says Trent. Yeah, sounds like you need a new phone, man. All right, let's see here. So back over towards Kansas and Nebraska here. We got ourselves, once again, that really nasty outflow boundary or gust front, you call it. Pretty crazy stuff. What's up, Cheryl? See, okay, they just removed the warning for Bird City and Wheeler. Here in northwestern Kansas here, y'all. But like I said, we're about to have that collision of outflow boundaries here. That's getting ready to start squeezing together. Obviously, the northern outflow boundary is stronger, so interesting. Courtney says, got to go pizza here. So yeah, Courtney, give me some pizza. That sounds good. Mr. Animal says hi. What's up, Mr. Animal? Hope you're doing good. Let's see. Okay, back over to central Nebraska. Let's see. Okay, so central Nebraska. Yeah, so basically these storms out here in central Nebraska, they're kind of heading southbound. New warning just got issued for Callaway and Arnold. But yeah, no, those storms are driving south, and like I said, they're heading into a more favorable environment for severe weather to occur. Let's see here. Back over to the Cape. Available energy. Yeah, so here's a satellite view, including the Cape here. So you can actually see a bunch of a lot of instabilities in place for western Kansas. So basically, all of that is just thunderstorm juice. All that stuff. Compared to out here, like towards the Ohio Valley, it's not much activity out there. Let's see. Do outflow boundaries make precipitation? They can. Yeah, they can, but not usually. Usually it's mostly just a big cloud that just pushes through. It usually causes dust because of how strong the winds are, especially out west where the soil is more fine. But anyways. But so we're definitely watching out, guys. Like I said, the storms are now starting to move into that enhanced risk area. So starting to move into the biggest risk area. Yeah, once again, y'all, northwestern Kansas out there, south central Nebraska. Y'all got to keep your heads up. We had so many power outages and trees coming down in my neighborhood in Pennsylvania. I actually want to look at the power outages real quickly. I'm surprised there's not many in Vermont, considering they have a big flooding threat. They only have 9,000 people without power. But everywhere in the United States is not really experiencing any, or any state, I should say, is not really experiencing anything crazy power outage related. So that's good. That's good news anyways. Let's see here. Leon wants me to look here at 08611. Okay. Let's see here. 08611 for New Jersey. Gotcha. Okay, you're good to go, man. There's nothing severe out there. Although we do have a severe thunderstorm warning for you. To your west, I should say. That's interesting. Let's see. Hold on a minute. I think I'm on the wrong Outlook day. It's got to be why. There we go. Yep, sorry. You're actually in a marginal risk. I was looking at the wrong day. But you do have a general thunderstorm threat, actually. I thought you're in a marginal. I'm losing it, y'all. No, you're in a generalized thunderstorm threat. Yet we have this for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail to your left, to your west, or left. All right, we're gonna hop back to, or we're already right here. Let's go take a look back at that outflow boundary there. That's what I'm a little interested in right now. Yeah, like I said, they're getting ready to start clashing here. Yeah, now that is something to watch out for. Like I said, anytime you have those two outflow boundaries clash together, that could get pretty intense. Let's see here. But yeah, here pretty soon, I would not be surprised if we start getting some storms popping off out here. Let's see, is that northwestern Kansas? Okay, I'm going to localize it to Kansas real quickly. Okay, I don't see anything on satellite trying to develop yet. Did I see the big slight risk for Wednesday? Yeah, I did. This is a long stream today. Sheesh. Well, yeah, it's because it's coverage. Yeah, I've already been live for almost 2 hours now. Don't plan on stopping anytime soon either. Ooh. Yeah, when those two outflow boundaries, holy cow. That right there is going to get pretty gnarly. If you live towards Brewster, I would really consider watching this. Okay, Brewster, Kansas. You look like you guys are in line for two outflow boundaries that could hit you. Like I said, outflow boundaries bring a lot of concerns, you know, in terms of, you know, damaging winds and stuff like that. Let's see here. Look at the... All right, guys, I'll tell you what. We're going to hop over to the HRRR here, which is the models. We're going to look at the HRRR latest run, see what's going on here really quickly. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the future could look like here. So here we go. So this is the HRRR. Let's see. This is the latest run we have right now. So obviously we got that little cell that's popping off there in kind of northwestern. The one that's producing that big outflow boundary is right here. So according to the model here, that's interesting. So according to the model, it kind of has these guys dying out along western Kansas, and then it kind of just turns into a big line. Y'all see that? That's really interesting. Wow. Let's see. I'm chilling with some peaches and ice cream from Aldi's. Nice. What about 19312? Let's see. 19312. Pennsylvania. General thunderstorm threat, man. Nothing severe. Let's see. Los Angeles, about 10 a.m. Gotcha. What's up, Jim? Jim says, can I check on 22602? Yeah, I can do that.
Permission to speak.
Gosh, it scared me. Nope, go away. Just kidding.
All right, I wanted to tell you we just got a severe thunderstorm watch, and I'm gonna end stream soon because I'm losing my voice here.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, we got a severe thunderstorm watch. Let me go see where. Hopefully it's for southern Minnesota.
You joined and you
Oh,
don't even know
wow.
where? I'm
It
kidding.
is.
I'm kidding. Where is
It's
it?
for southeastern Minnesota. It's
The 40?
Dude, it's got to be like one of the smallest watches ever.
Bro, the 40%?
Yeah.
Both 40% played out to be watches today.
There you
Oh
go,
my
if you wanna
gosh,
click
that is a
It's
small.
literally. It is. It's a very small watch. Does that even? Yeah, that connects them, right? Yes, it does. Barely.
Huh.
Dude, that is literally one of the smallest watches.
Yeah, I'll show everybody.
It's literally this small.
Let's see. I'm gonna. Oh. I got the Spanish version.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
I didn't send the Spanish one.
Well, I have the Spanish one on my screen right now.
Oh, great.
That is a pretty small watch.
Yeah, it is.
Population's 464,000 people. About 500,000 people.
Wow. Because it includes. Oh, it doesn't include the Twin Cities. I was gonna say if it did.
Let's see. Here.
Populated areas. It's really just it.
65-mile-per-hour wind as possible. I wonder what size hail it's for.
I'm
I'm gonna guess 2 inches or 1.5.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it's much of a hail maker out there. Not much of a hail maker.
Because the watch out there in Iowa has 2.5 inch, and the one for Wisconsin has 2 inch.
Oh, it is into the. Oh no, it's not into the significant hail threat.
It's
It's in the 15 still.
I'm so glad they connected the watches now.
So yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you. Oh, new report of 2-inch hail in that weird named place, the destructive severe.
So it's not plate. I found out.
Okay, what is it?
I think it's plat.
Plat. Oh, that's no better.
No, it's not.
All right, so yeah, I'll come help you out here in about 10 minutes.
Oh, okay, it's cool.
All right.
All right, so you heard that, y'all. So TRG is probably gonna come back here and hang out with us here in a little bit. Let's see here. I just don't want the power to go out again. Oh, I don't blame you, dude. I really don't. Anyways, back over to the radar here. TRG was showing 2-inch hails reported right in North Platte. Let's see here, Lincoln Train Weather Spotter reported this one here. So it's still producing some pretty large hail from what it looks like. Jim says, don't forget to check on 22602. Yeah, I did kind of get caught behind. That's right. Gotcha. There's not even any thunderstorm threat out there, man, for today. So you're good. Let's see here. But yeah, so Jim, you're good. Good to go, man. Oh, wow. Yeah, we're starting to get some reports of 45 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts out of this. What's the purple circles on radar mean? So those are we call mesoscale discussions. It's basically a discussion determining if they're going to issue a watch or not, which, you can already see they've already issued watches for the areas that have the red brackets are watches. They just connected it. There's that new watch right here. Let's see here. We had it out for about 4.5 days, and trees falling through the whole neighborhood. Wow. Yeah, that's not good. It's really not good. Sent you someone on Twitter, says Logan. Gotcha. Let me look real quickly. Oh, wow. Yeah, here we go. This is from Logan. Thank you, man, for sending this. Look at that. So it might not look much to you, but this is actually, let's see here. Open image in new tab. This is actually an anvil cloud. That's an anvil right there. So basically, let's see here. I'm gonna pull out my pen. So essentially, the storm looks like this. Big anvil. It's kind of hard to see down there, but we got some of those. It basically just, you know, right in there. You might think that's actually the blue sky. No, that's actually another cloud. It looks like clouds ahead of it, because it's a different type of blue. But anyways, but yeah, no, that's an anvil. It's a thunderstorm. Wow, thank you for sharing that. Let's see here. Okay, thanks. That's Ricky. You're very welcome. No problem. Just now getting to watch. I gotta tell TRG this real quickly. Oh, never mind. He's ending. I would, but well, there you go. Guess I can't. Let's see here. Okay, so storm's still going on. Let's see. Let's go check on those. Oh, the alpha boundaries are colliding right now. Look at that. They're undercutting each other. See, Brendan says a great picture. Absolutely. What do I think Wednesday's main threat's going to be? I'd have to really dive into models, which we're not going to do right now. I can't just, like, pull it out. Tornado. That's the big threat. It's not. Oh, at least I don't know yet. But no, I'm going to need to do some serious analysis, like grab soundings, all kinds of stuff. So it's going to take me a while to just... let's see here. Also, Berwyn, Pennsylvania. There's lots of rain. Gotcha. How was stuff in Virginia yesterday for the Northeast flood? I'm not sure. Yeah, I wasn't really paying attention to Virginia too much because it wasn't anything crazy. Anything too crazy, I should say. All right, we're going to hop back over here. Golly, yeah, those things are getting ready to clash. I don't know. That southern one looks like it might be starting to weaken a little bit. Let's hope it is. Goodness. Yep, storms are popping off here in, let's see here. Yeah, popping off here in western Kansas here. It actually looks like the one, yeah, Shannon Springs. That storm's dying out here. So that's what that's what a dying storm looks like. It goes from like heavy precipitation to just boom, nothing really. Technically, it's holding. Isn't good for the kidney. Okay. What's up, Jenny? What's up, Jenny? Hope you're doing good. Oh my gosh, was my fan blowing on the mic the whole time? I'm sorry. But what's up, Jenny? Hope you're doing good. Glad to have you here. Yeah, we're going to get joined by TRG here in a minute. Yeah, I'm surprised he ended before I did this time. All right, let's see here. No new reports on that one, so I think he's back. Pretty sure he's back.
Andrew.
Yo.
Did you see that 80-mile-an-hour warning?
What?
Oh, you didn't? Yeah.
Yeah, I totally saw it.
Okay,
Michigan?
Okay. Yeah, I wanted to make sure you saw it.
I didn't.
Oh, you didn't, dude. Stop trolling me.
I did it, bro.
It's been there for 10 minutes.
About to say. Yeah, 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts quarter-size hail. Wow. I need to kick up my game a little more.
Yeah, you do. Oh, nah. Still that destructive one for hail.
Oh my
too.
gosh. Jim is spamming a bunch of emojis.
Jeez.
Oh my gosh.
Every last one of them, huh?
Yep. Crazy.
Oh, they just extended that watch till midnight.
Which one? There's a lot of them.
Kansas.
Gotcha.
I think they did. No promises on that one.
Let's see. Kansas till 9 p.m. Eastern. Nebraska until 11 p.m. Eastern. Iowa until 11 p.m. Eastern. Southern Minnesota until 1 a.m. Wisconsin till 1 a.m. Yeah.
You can stay unmuted here, by the way. That way I know if I'm butting in or not.
Oh, I know. That's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen it. You ended.
Yep. That way I
I'm
can get
surprised you ended before I did today.
my throat's murdering me.
I hear you. Oh, what's
Yeah.
up, Jenny? Thank you so much for helping out with a $10 super chat. Very sweet of you, Jenny. Thank you so much. Let's see here. Very sweet of you, Jenny. Thank you so much once again. Let's see here. Okay, yep. So, yeah, I don't know if you know on that one cell that you were telling me about in the beginning. For that
Which
one.
one's that? Come on, Andrew. There's like 20.
Well, the one you told me for 2.5-inch hail.
Oh, that one. Yeah, what about it?
2.75-inch hail. That one was reported. That report was coming from a National Weather Service employee.
Oh, yeah, I did see that.
South of that, we had another report from a train spotter.
Yeah, for 2-inch hail, right? Pretty sure. Yeah.
Still
2-inch
pretty
hail,
gnarly.
train spotter.
Just a thing, we were supposed to go live right now, starting our live streams.
And I already ended mine.
You ended it, and the big risk is just starting, bro.
Well, at least I'm here to help you out.
That's true.
I'm still watching it. Still watching it.
I hear you. Yeah, I hope you feel better soon. Oh,
I was just about to tell you that big considerable. Did you see it?
the one in Kansas?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Northern
and
Kansas.
there's actually a report of 68-mile-per-hour wind gusts out of it.
So that's why they continued it then.
Is that for 70? Yep, 70
Yeah.
and a quarter. Wow. Yep, 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail out of that guy. Goodness. See, it's for Oberlin, Danbury, Marion, Cedar Bluffs, McCook, Traer, I think, Rexford, and Selden. Let's see here. See, Kala, I think that's your name, saying, how do I become mod? I mean, one of the mods can answer too. Join our Discord down below in the description, and you can apply there. All right, let's see here. Gonna hop back up to Michigan. See what's going on up in here for the panhandle of Michigan. Let's see. Yep, still got that one for 80 mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. East of that, quarter-size hail alone for Shingleton. They really, TRG, they really issued a big warning for that one in central upper state Michigan.
Let me see.
Like for
I do see it.
for Wetmore and All Train, and they did not need a warning that large for that cell.
This is not a Canada.
I was about to
warning.
say they're starting to take off from Canada, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, they are close to Canada.
I'm not sure why they warned that for 80-mile-an-hour winds.
What the? Oh yeah.
The destructive one right there.
Yeah, I
don't know.
agree. There's like no strong velocities on this.
Yeah, I don't know where they're getting radar indicated 80-mile-an-hour winds.
Dude, accidentally misclicked.
Well, he had to just misclick again because they reissued it.
Oh man, why?
I don't know. Maybe a just
Just
extension.
radar indicated, right? Maybe it's
Yes.
upper level winds. Let me check that. That could sometimes be a factor.
Also, I don't know if you've looked at the NAM for the laughs.
Yeah, even
NAM
upper level
PJ.
winds, man, does not even go up there.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. I don't know why they issued that.
That weather service office is a little wonky.
Well, it is Michigan, so.
They freak out when they see thunderstorms. Oh my gosh, what is this?
What is this glowy thing?
Why is there so many
Lightning.
flashes of light? I've never seen one of these before.
Yep, life-threatening situation for 80-mile-an-hour winds. Northland.
Francis says this is a very informative channel. I don't know if he's being sarcastic or not.
Yeah, for real.
Thank you. Let's see here. We got lots of reports of quarter size hail to 1.75 inch hail in northwestern, kind of north central Wisconsin. Almost said Nebraska again. Whoa! TRG.
8-inch hail where?
2.5 inch, or sorry, 2.75 inch hail in northern Iowa.
What?
Yep.
Nah, really?
Yep.
Also, that destructive severe in north whatever, it might have a hook echo there. Of course, the rotation is contamination. Of course, it's very obvious.
Gotcha. They they reported
Normally, it's destructive, and then we get the report. I gotta go look at this, dude.
Gotcha. Yeah, no, that was an emergency
wow.
manager that reported that.
Wow. I'm gonna have to go back on the scans there and see if that matches with radar.
Yeah, my radar
Never know.
doesn't go back there anymore in GR2.
You might be lying.
I don't know.
Let's see.
I'm not lying.
23:16.
Just look at my stream, you'll see it.
Oh yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Andrew doesn't lie about the weather.
No.
Sometimes.
Never. Oh, we got another 2.75 inch report from the public in Lincoln County, Nebraska. Baseball size hail, possibly larger. What do you mean? You don't carry a tape measure or something on you all the time? I'm sorry, but if you live out in the plains, you better have like a ruler in your back pocket wherever you go.
Especially if you're a chaser. That's just a must right there.
Oh, yeah. Better yet, if you're in North Dakota or South Dakota, it is, bring a yardstick.
Yardstick, that would be crazy. I think a tape measure would be better because it bends around the hailstone.
Yeah. Let's see here. Comment coming in here from Francis says, no, I was being serious. I love following weather channels. You guys do great work warning the public. I have a degree in emergency management, so this stuff is great. Oh, that's cool, Francis. Well, thanks, man. Let's see. We're starting to get some pretty nasty wind gusts on this storm out here in northwestern Kansas. Out of that big considerable they issued. TRG, I don't know if you ever remember back when they didn't have considerables or destructives.
Oh yeah, of course I remember that.
When did they change that? Was that last year?
Yeah, definitely not 2021.
Wasn't this year either.
Yeah.
So it had
to be last year. Yeah, that's logical. Was it this year? Was it 2021? There's 1 year left. 2022.
No, I'd have to say probably. I think it happened in like early year though. I think it happened like in spring. If I remember correctly, I'm not exactly sure. Kind of throwing guesses out there, honestly. But what's up, Gaming Gavin? Holy cow, dude! That outflow bounder we have on that Northwest Kansas cell still going strong, man. Ooh. Oh wow. We go from like matter of 2 frames from like literally nothing to full on heavy precipitation in like 3 minutes. Wow. Yeah, from nothing to precipitation. That cell is starting to kind of grow a tail, not a hook, but a tail. It's interesting. But we got lots of... Oh, look at that. Another report coming through of 67 mile per hour winds. 66, 67, 68. Got all those reports out there.
New mesoscale discussion for Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico, Kansas.
Ooh.
Jeez. It's either going to be like right on the border of them all or a big one.
Yeah, because there's still a lot of slight risk territory down there. Looks like we got
not for a watch. Not for a watch, though.
What's it for?
It's just concerning it, maybe saying the threat continues.
Oh, okay. Just be like, heads up, people. Storms expected. Yeah, we got a pretty interesting cell popping off here towards Snyder, Texas, northwest Abilene, north of Highway 20. Let's see here. Gonna hop down to Texas for a second, see what's going on here. Ooh, I just noticed we got a warning here to. I just now got the mesoscale discussion on my phone.
You're a little slow today, Andrew.
I'm not. It's my Twitter.
Just a little slow there. I kind of got that like 3 minutes ago, man. We're moving on to the next mesoscale discussion at this point.
But we got a severe thunderstorm warning not too far from Fort Worth. Wow. See, I'm guessing 60-mile-per-hour wind gust quarter hail. Nickel-size hail. Yeah, those areas are in the marginal. Oh, wow. So that storm I was talking about just now in Snyder, Texas, there's actually a report coming through from an emergency manager reporting dispatch 18-wheeler blown over on Highway 84. Estimated wind speed 60+ miles per hour. Whoa. It's not even warned either. That's not good. I think Lubbock radars closes. But yeah, we literally an 18-wheeler is blown over. They're estimating 60+ miles per hour, yet there's not even a warning out there.
They're not even continuing that destructive, Andrew. There are literally no warning in front of it right now.
Which one?
The damaging wind one.
There's 2 damaging ones, one for Nebraska, one for Michigan.
Damaging winds?
Yeah.
Nebraska's for wind?
Lincoln County is a SVRD, destructive.
That's for hail.
Is it?
Yeah, that's been for hail. Man, got me confused. Yeah, there's only one for wind.
Wait, hold on. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong one.
Yeah.
I was looking at you know what it was? I was looking at Kansas and southern Nebraska for that wind one, but that's considerable, not destructive. Never mind.
I see.
That's what it was.
That may be trying to hook too, but I mean, it's nothing crazy. That destructive one for 80-mile-an-hour winds.
They wow, tennis ball size hail still though. That's 2.5 inch. Man, oh man, yeah, that's pretty gnarly.
And they just continued it for 80-mile-an-hour winds.
For the one up north.
Yep. I don't know what. How are they getting that? Where are they getting it? Okay, I do see it a little bit more now.
Dude,
it's still 40.
North Platte, what we called Plate, is really dodging it right now.
My word. It's just on the edge of it, huh?
Like they are really dodging it. They are right on the edge of that. Can outflow boundary cause? And that's the end of the comment. It says rain. Oh, okay. I was about to say. Can it cause tree damage? Yes. Yeah. Outflow boundaries are also known as gust fronts, meaning that they can pack a punch with the strong winds. So basically, all it is just a bunch of cold air coming down from a thunderstorm. Because in basic thermodynamics, you have warm air rises, or cold air sinks. So as that hot air cools down in the mid-upper level of the atmosphere, the cold air starts to sink. And if it's going fast enough, it smacks the surface in a direction and pushes out cold air on the surface. And that cold air starts interacting with the warm air that's pushing out, and that makes it quite visible to see on radar. Because there's a little bit of condensation, but really not enough to have any precipitation usually. But anyways. Did that sound good to you, TRG?
Yes, it did.
Okay.
You did a good job.
Good. I was trying to explain it easiest best I could. All right. Let's see here. Okay. So that one destructive that we had a minute ago in Nebraska, the one that got discontinued, that storm is starting to move into the enhanced risk. Kobe, we've had 0 tornado warnings today. Yeah, they've all been damaging winds and hail so far. Yeah, biggest hail we've seen I think was 2.75, a couple of them. Which is biggest hail we've seen today is baseball size. Let's see here. Damaging winds, I think the highest was 68. Yep, I guess 68. Reported anyway. Those are reports. But anyways, so y'all out here towards northwest Kansas for Rexford, let's see, Selden, Oberlin, Cedar Bluffs, let's see here, Marion, Danbury, and McCook. You guys are about to get hit here. We have multiple reports. Holy cow. Do you see all this, TRG? All these reports out of the cell here in northwest Kansas? There is report after report of damaging winds. We have a 50, we have a 63, a 66, 67, and a 68 mile per hour wind gust reports.
Wow. Now I see it.
There's a lot of reports of damaging winds ongoing out of the storm towards Atwood and Liddell right now. And I see Herndon.
Uh-oh.
What? Oh my gosh. I don't know if you see this. We got a non-thunderstorm wind gust of 57 miles per hour right under the thunderstorm.
It's got to be from the outflow boundary.
No, it's not, bro. It's literally under the storm.
What was the timing on it? I gotta find that.
Exactly 0 UTC. So that's 20 minutes ago. That storm was dead over that spot.
Yeah.
And it's quote unquote non-thunderstorm.
It was definitely right over it. Dead right on that.
Bro,
the fact that it's next to a 67 report.
Bro, who put out that report, man?
Literally right next to a report just 10 minutes ago from a thunderstorm.
These people. Oh my gosh.
If it's thunder and lightning, it's a thunderstorm. Come on.
I'm just... Why? In my opinion, they need to add a severe thunderstorm warning for Brewster and Levant here. I'm going to draw it on my screen here. This is not where warning's at, but... Oop, let's see. They need, like, a warning for, like, this. Because, we're getting... That outflow boundary is really strong towards Edson, and Brewster and Lebanon and Colby. Really strong out there. Let's see here. Yeah, definitely think they need to do that. So how long left of severe weather? This is going to happen probably till after midnight. I'm not going to be here that long, but... Yeah, I don't know how long I'm going to stream today. I've already been live for 2 hours and 20 minutes, almost 2.5 hours. Let's see, how long do we have severe weather season to go? I mean, really, this is not really severe weather season, but the pattern we're in is like...
Never stops.
Yeah.
We'll be in second season before you know it.
Oh, yeah. It's just going to be a year of severe thunderstorms.
Yeah, barely any tornadoes. I'll take barely any tornadoes, that's for sure.
A lot of hail, though.
Yeah, big time hail.
This year has been really nasty for hail-producing storms. My Siri went off when I said hail.
Gotta watch out for them AIs. That's why I don't have any of them in my room. None of them.
Yeah, literally my phone, like whenever you say Siri, it usually like glows. Like, what do you want to say? And it went off when I said hail. Finn says I just had mozzarella sticks for Lucky. All right, let's see here. Oh, is that a new warning? No, it's not new for Texas. All right, we're gonna hop back to Michigan. We have that one severe destructive still in effect here. Wow, dude, yeah, this has really gotten crazy. I mean, like I said, whenever I went live, there was hardly anything happening up in Michigan, and now it's just thunderstorms everywhere. But yeah, so it's still for 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail, heading right towards Trinary, I think that is, and Rock and Perkins. Who names their town Rock?
Me.
Is that your town?
I totally would. So what do you want it named? Rock.
Oh my god.
That is
Dude,
totally something I would
question so many of these town names. Like, it's not even... It's crazy.
At least it's pronounceable. Rock.
Yeah, sure. At least I can say that one with confidence.
It's the only one I could say with confidence.
Yep. Watch it still be wrong, like Rook.
Oh my goodness.
Still got it wrong, bro. That would be terrible.
That's got to be Kentucky. Rook.
Oh gosh. It's not surprising.
Now I got to go find one.
Kentucky's an odd state.
It's got to be near Louisville for sure.
Oh gosh.
You know what? I'm gonna actually try to find one. I've got a lot of Rock Avenues. Brock. I got
Bro.
a Brock.
Finn the Third keeps on saying he has the best recipe, yet his recipe is probably just the frozen box he got from like Kroger.
The one that he brought to Gordon Ramsay.
He's like, man, I got the best recipe. It's probably just frozen.
Probably is.
Probably.
Oh, by the way, yesterday's flash flooding event in New York was a 1 in 1,000 event.
Years?
1 in 1,000 year.
Yeah.
Event. Thank you. Yeah.
I saw that actually. Yeah, I did see that.
Well, how come you can't see any of the mesoscale discussions then?
I don't know. I do eventually. It just takes hours. No, you literally say it about 5 minutes until I get it, which is crazy.
I get to it the second it's issued.
This dude says he takes a bag of chips. He doesn't even say what kind of chips, bro.
It's just a bag of chips, man.
Just go to the store, just find a bag of chips literally titled a bag of chips.
Must have got them from Dollar General, for sure.
Bro, save a lot.
A bag of chips.
It's got that off-brand stuff, bro. Alright, let's see here. Minneapolis is dodging a bit of storm activity right now. Got a cell to the south towards Lakeville and Farmington. Actually, wow, got reports of 1.5-inch hail on that. What? Metro Skywarn phone report. What?
What?
From a train
Dude.
spotter. 1.5. That's ping pong ball size hail.
My phone's reporting 1.75 inch hail.
Huh.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
What is that warned for?
Ping pong ball size hail, and that's it.
Okay, so it's warned for what was reported.
Yeah.
At least that's good.
They,
Unlike
you know
Iowa.
what? They probably issued the warning, and they're like, "Oh shoot, we got a report. Let's go ahead and cover that up."
That destructive just got downgraded to considerable.
70.
Oh my word! You'll never guess what's in the destructive and now considerable. Guess what?
What?
Rock.
Wait, what?
I'm not even kidding. Rock is in it. Go look at the destructive.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier.
Dude, I thought you were just joking.
No!
I was surprised when I saw that one.
It's literally a town called
right
Rock.
I thought you were just joking, man. That is
No!
crazy. Someone actually named a town Rock.
Yeah.
No way. Oh my word. There's a bunch of
Dude,
them. Maryland,
you know-
North Carolina, Texas, South Carolina, Illinois.
You know, I just
Michigan.
realized that once destructive is literally in a marginal risk.
Oh wow, that's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's in a marginal. And marginals can't get... They can't even get upwards of 70 plus. I mean, marginal risks are usually for 60 mile per hour wind gusts.
Yeah, I would have never guessed 80.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the marginal.
But
I
honestly,
wish I got
that,
the marginal risk like that.
that's the thing, though. You know, like I was saying, or like we were saying, is why did they issue that? I mean, velocity showed nearly nothing.
I can see a normal severe, but 80.
Yeah, no, honestly, I agree. But like, or destructive severe? I mean, now look at it. There's more strong outbounds on it. I'm seeing 50.
And they downgraded it
Yeah.
because it's stronger. That's just National Weather Service right there.
Yeah, some weird people out in Michigan.
For- You just made a state angry.
Probably. What are you saying about my state, boy? I'm kidding.
I'll probably agree with you too.
Probably, yeah. I mean, honestly, though, if someone said that about my state, I'd be like, yeah, you're right. All states are crazy in their own ways, that's for sure. Like Wisconsin, the cheese making state.
Iowa's corn.
No, corn is like the whole Midwest.
Yeah, that's like 8 states out there, at least. What's your state? Oh, chicken.
KFC.
Chicken. Yeah.
Virginia is what?
Um,
Virginia's
I
for
don't know.
lovers.
yeah, mountains is what we're known for, though.
No.
Yeah, Blue Ridge.
Oh yeah, Blue Ridge.
Yeah. See, now you gotta agree with me.
That's also West Virginia, though. And, no, West Virginia's known for their coal.
Okay,
we're getting
glad
really
I don't
off.
live there.
We're getting real off topic, y'all.
No, coal is still weather, right?
No.
Mountains, kinda
Mountains
is.
has something to do with climate, but not really weather. I guess it does. Never mind. The more I think about it, yeah, mountains definitely do affect the weather.
Yeah, that's why I get nothing over here.
Yeah.
Is the mountains. Are you in the mountains? I forgot if Kentucky's. Yeah,
No.
Eastern Kentucky.
Eastern Kentucky is mountains. Western, I'm basically in portions of like the Midwest where I'm at.
Sweet.
So I'm kind of in the zone where it's just kind of flat.
You've got corn and chicken
Yeah, exactly.
right in the middle.
Yep. No new wind reports on that one warning in the center of the enhanced risk. Bobby says moonshine. That's a West Virginia thing, isn't it? And Virginia. Pretty sure, actually. I think that's a whole Blue Ridge thing.
I'm not involved.
Uh-huh. We know you're hiding a secret operation. Just kidding.
I know you took all them barrels over to your state.
Probably.
Hey, bro. Wait, what? That's where it went. That's where my stash went.
So this man
Yes, I
has
did.
a
I
stash,
did
bro.
name it Rock. I did name it Rock, Carson. That's my town, man. I live there now. Rock, Michigan.
We got a we got ourselves a severe thunderstorm warning for the panhandle of Texas and panhandle of Oklahoma. For Boise
Tiniest little
City.
storm.
Huh?
It's a tiny little storm right there.
Yeah, for a big warning. Like, they could cut off where?
Right in the dead zone.
They could cut off text line and where? I'm sure felt the storm.
Maybe. Boise City. I mean, it even missed Boise City too.
What?
Yeah, it did. It went just to their south and west.
Yeah. Yeah, what's up with the weather service being Canadians today?
I don't know. Let me look at Canada. Let me see what they got.
Watch them have, like, normal warnings.
Oh my word, definitely not.
No?
Nope. They got one the size of Oklahoma and Kansas over here.
Bro, send me that on Discord.
Let me show you.
I don't see it. Is that on GR or not GR?
Radar.
Radar
Scope.
Omega?
Radar scope.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't. Oh.
There you go.
That doesn't really do it justice, bro.
Yeah, it doesn't. Let me send you the whole screenshot.
It's a pretty big warning, but it doesn't. Yeah, it really doesn't do it justice to how big it is.
You could see just how big it is from the warning in southwestern Kansas compared to that one. Here you go. There's just tiny little polygons in the U.S. and then this big old thing at the top.
Holy
right,
cow! Yeah,
left. Yeah.
dude, those warn. Okay, now I see how big. Oh my gosh, bro.
Canada.
Golly, bro, what's going on with Canada and their warnings, bro?
I swear, if I click on the radar site and there's just a baby cell,
Oh my gosh, bro.
it's scattered, dude. There's like only one severe storm worth severe
What, in that area?
in that whole area. There's one storm that's worth a severe.
You mean the population of 2?
Wonder what the population is up here.
Probably not much. What I've heard is that 50 or over 50% of the population is right on the border of the United States and Canada. Like, not many. I've heard not many people live up here at all. A lot of unhumanized territory.
Like Toronto, that's where they live.
A lot of Toronto, yeah. A lot of the
Yeah.
eastern sides of Canada is pretty populated.
Quebec. I didn't even know that was a thing.
Quebec.
Yeah.
Yeah, Quebec
It's
is
like Arkansas City
territory.
inside Arkansas. But it's Quebec inside.
I think
Quebec.
Ontario's the one just to the left of Quebec.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ontario and Quebec are like the most populated.
You've got British Columbia over here, dude.
Man, I should have asked Scott when he was here. He's actually Canadian. I do have a fair amount of Canadians that do join the channel sometimes.
Yeah, I got like 2.
Pretty cool.
Most.
Oh, look at that.
Both of them from
TRG.
Ontario. What?
Oh my gosh, bro.
90-mile-an-hour wind gusts now.
No.
What you
My
do?
oh my gosh, bro.
Did
My
the stream crash.
no. My monitor's trying to.
Oh.
Here,
Oh my
I
God,
gotta show
something's
this to my
going on.
viewers too.
Let me see this. Oh my.
It's all green. It's not anymore.
Dude. What'd you do? Punch
I
it?
don't know, bro. It's all fuzzy and green and lines.
Man. Andrew's raging over here at the weather. What'd you guys say?
Bro, I don't know what I did there.
Well, it's a new
Whoa.
color.
Okay, we got a lot of reports coming through here for that one cell with a lot of that hail on it. Tennis ball size still. Central Nebraska. Lots of reports. Holy cow. We have 2-inch report, 1-inch report, 1.75, 1.5, another 2, 2.75, and another 2.75. That's out here in North Platte. What's the name of Andrew's sidekick? His name is TRG. Let's see. TRG Nader. Let's see. Gonna hop back to Dodge City radar. Got reports of 51-mile-per-hour wind gusts out here. Out towards Johnson. What does all the green mean, says Jim? Are you talking about my monitor being green? Bro, I don't know. Yes, Jim, it is. Let's see here. Oh, we got a new storm out here in Texas. Or severe warning, I should say. Let's see here. 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, quarter-size hail. For Peacock, Swenson. We've been live for 2 hours and 37 minutes. Yes, we have. Yeah, we haven't done a stream this long in a while. Let's see. Warning still for 70-mile-per-hour wind gust, quarter-size hail. South of that, let's see here, 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, quarter-size hail. Gotcha. TRG said he'll be right back. Let's see here. How long will I be streaming? I don't know. I have no idea. I'll probably end at 3-hour mark. So in about 22 minutes. It's been a while since you've done a longer live stream. Yeah, for real. Oh,
it's because I'm here to keep him off topic.
Huh?
It's because I'm here to keep you off topic.
Yeah, we got a flash flood warning in Nebraska here for Elgin. Let's see, Clearwater. Let's see, between 2 and 4 inches of rain has already fallen. Wow. Additional amounts of 1 to 2 possible. Goodness. So that's for northeast Nebraska there. Goodness. Yeah, we got a lot of heavy rain starting to fall towards Omaha, or kind of west of Omaha. I wonder what the satellite looks like now. Let's see here. Regional. Go back to. Oh, yeah. Satellite's looking pretty crazy. Chase says, I've been here lurking in the shadows for an hour. Well, glad you're here. Yeah, there's satellite view. Using the sandwich mode. It's my favorite. Yeah, we're starting to get some growing activity out here in Texas, though. Kind of firing off on that big drop of instability, but it's firing off in that big convective area. Will there be a stream tomorrow and the day after because of storms? Yeah, probably. We'll try to. I do want to give you guys a notice, though. I probably won't be able to stream much starting on, let's see here. My girlfriend's coming into town. So it'll be Thursday. Thursday and after. I probably won't be streaming as much. I'm not going to completely cut streams, but probably be doing short streams and just weather updates. Not much coverage. But today, obviously, we've been live a while. Tomorrow, I'll be live for a while, and then the day after, I'll be live for a while. But then Thursday, I'll have to not be live as much while they're here. All right, let's see here. 70-mile-per-hour wind gust still for Oberlin, Kansas. Let's see here. Oberlin, we have Colby, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. So these are for quarter-size hail towards Brewster, Colby, Oberlin, Atwood, Liddell, Herndon, Danbury, McCook, Culverston. Dude, oh my gosh, my camera's being laggy again.
Slow motion Andrew. Yay.
Oh no, it's happening again, bro! It's green! You guys surprised. Oh, there we go. It's better.
Oh my word, it just lit up your face.
I know.
Wow.
Bro.
Andrew got that KFC Wi-Fi. It's killing his monitor.
KFC Wi-Fi? Bro, it's not my Wi-Fi. It's a loose connection. I could probably have it. Oh, there it goes again. Oh my gosh, bro. It looks crazy. Hold on. I got my fireworks over here. Look. There you go. Y'all can see it.
Bro. It's an alien.
There you go.
Yeah, Andrew's trying to hack again. Yeah.
Oh, I gotta unzoom now. Oh, that's not unzooming. That's zooming. There we go. I'm turning you back over here. Okay, cool. It's loose connections, bro. There we go. Oh, now I need to... Okay, there we go. We're good. Let's see here. Logan wants me to take a look here at 50665. 50665. Iowa. Marginal today. You're near the slight risk. So watch out for a few strong to potentially severe storms to you or for you today. Right now we have a little bit of activity to your northwest is popping off, but this evening keep an eye out there for a few strong storms. Can I do 63028 for me? Yeah, I can do that. 63028. Missouri. You are not in any form of thunderstorm risk at all. Yeah, you're not even in a general thunderstorm risk out there. You're good. But here pretty soon, guys, I'm probably going to end the stream. I'll end it in 15 minutes at the 3-hour mark. I think that's a pretty good stopping place. What do you think, TRG? Oh, is he gone? Hello, TRG?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. I was like, no, not my KFC Wi-Fi again.
That KFC Wi-Fi be treating you well, huh?
Yeah. But
Was it disconnecting?
I'm going to head off, or we're going to end the stream in 15 minutes.
Sounds good, right when these storms hit the enhanced risk, huh?
Well, they're already in the
Really
enhanced
good.
risk, bro.
They're like halfway through at this point.
Getting that
You can
way.
see that
They're about a
NCS
third
right
of the way
there.
through.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, we're going to be seeing this happen for hours and hours and hours, which I can't be live for everything. I mean, 3 hours of coverage is really good. Which we're going to call it at the 3-hour mark. Mr. Animals, take a look here at 19256. I think I'm going to turn this into a forecasting live stream now, guys. So for the last 15 minutes, if y'all have any zip codes, go ahead and post them. 19256. 19.
Shoot, what's my zip code?
Let's see here. Sweden? Boy, that's not in the U.S. I can't get to that one, man. Yeah, program only goes to the U.S. Nobody else has zip codes? I see TRG. Nope, no zip code.
I expected that one.
24112. Never heard of that place. Is that for rock?
Yeah, rock, really.
24112. All right, let's see here for you, man. Okay, you have
Clear
0.
skies for the next year.
Yep, clear skies. All right, next. No, you got a general. Oh, not even that. Sorry.
You forgot, it's Virginia.
Yep.
We don't get
I
risks.
was looking in the wrong area. Yep, nothing for tomorrow. And nothing for the day after. Clear skies. High pressure. Looking good. Any severe weather for 46725? 46725. 6725. Indiana. Got a marginal on day 3, which is Wednesday. Today, nothing. Tomorrow, marginal. Marginal tomorrow, too. So watch out for Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's see here. Let's see here. Online, once we take a look here at 74801. 74801. Oklahoma. Let's see here. Okay, so you know what I'm going to do? I am going to do this. Make it a lot more efficient here. Okay, so you, my friend, are out here. Just east of Oklahoma City, so you're kind of right in this region. Okay, so for today, you got a marginal risk out there. What it looks like. Yes. Yep, you got a marginal. So look out for maybe a little bit of potential strong to severe thunderstorm activity here. And then for tomorrow, just a generalized thunderstorm threat. A few chances for a few thunderstorms. And then the day after that, same thing. Just future thunderstorms. So today's your only day for severe thunderstorms possible. Over the next 3 days anyways, as of now. Let's see here. Caleb, once we take a look here at 61610. 61610. Illinois. Let's see here. So you're kind of in Peoria. So for today, nothing. Tomorrow, got a marginal. Let's see. No tornado probability. Small chance for hail, damaging winds, small chance. So look out for that. Let's see here. Day 3. Yeah, day 3. You got to watch out for Wednesday. Wednesday's a pretty big threat for you as we have a really large slight risk out there. So I would keep an eye out there for it. Let's see here. Going down the list here. Can I look at let's see here. Gene wants me to take a look here at the heat at 85710. 710. Arizona. Oh God. Let's see. Tucson. Let's see. Let me actually pull up the. Wow. You know what? It's in the lower to mid 100s for you, bro. That's like really crazy. Let's see here. Haley wants to take a look here, or slight risk for me on Wednesday. Yeah. So Haley, you do got a pretty big risk on for Kansas City on Wednesday. Right now there is no breakdown, but there's a pretty good chance. Oh shoot! Got a mesoscale discussion for Nebraska and Kansas considering heavy rainfall, possibly some flooding. But like I said, y'all, we're going to be heading out here we're going to be heading out here in 10 minutes, guys. So if y'all have any questions, anything like that, let me know. And we'll go ahead and call it a stream here soon. Be wrapping up our 3-hour coverage here for today. So pretty good amount of coverage. I will say right now, if you've not already, hit that subscribe button. Also leave a like, and most importantly, share this with your friends and family. Help get the word out there. Be greatly appreciated. Obviously, the more people who can get the word can be prepared and staying safe out there. So the more you guys can distribute, the more potential lives we could save here on this channel. Let's see. Thanks. Just had normal day in the desert. Yeah, pretty crazy. Let's see here. What about Cincinnati? Says is that Cala? Since you said Cincinnati, right? Yes, Cincinnati. So okay. So here for today, there's nothing. Tomorrow, nothing. Wednesday, a chance for some thunderstorms. Oh, TRG.
Rain for me? Where?
Bro, I'm in a marginal.
Oh, yeah, I did see that. Day 3.
I am barely in the marginal, but I'm there.
Can you walk to the thunderstorm risk?
No, but I could probably ride my bike to it.
Close enough.
That'd be a long walk, though. That's like probably 15, 20 miles, maybe. Anyways. Did I see supercell composite for Merit? No. I did not. Yeah, I'm going to wait a little bit before I look at the models for Wednesday. I want to get a lot of that disagreement out of here. Really the first 2 days, day 1, day 2. So today would be day 1, tomorrow would be day 2. Usually the first 2 days have a somewhat okay idea of what could happen in severe weather, but once you kind of pass or go to day 3 plus, severe weather expectancy is a little wonky. But yeah, no, I'll watch it. You can expect me to be live. TRG, really? Bro.
I'm on a forecast.
Let's see here. What's it in? Okay, thank you, Mr. Andrew. You're very welcome. Is 27822 good? 27822. North Carolina. Okay, you're east of Raleigh. Not far east of Raleigh. Okay, so you, my friend, do not have anything for today. Tomorrow, nothing. And Wednesday, nothing. You're good to go for the next 3 days. Let's see here. LV Raider, once we take a look here at 50309. 50309. Des Moines, Iowa. Okay. Got some big updates for you, my friend. So today there's a small chance for a couple of strong to potentially severe storms. Like I said, 5% chance for severe weather. Nothing crazy. Tomorrow, you got a slight risk, so pretty decent threat for severe weather tomorrow. And same thing for you on Wednesday. So literally tomorrow and Wednesday, you got a pretty decent chance for severe weather. So I'd keep an eye on it. We're going to be live tomorrow and obviously Wednesday whenever severe weather happens. But anyways. Anyways, y'all, we're going to be heading off here in about 6 minutes now. Or really in about 4 minutes because the stream's going to end at that 3-hour mark, which I have to do that 2-minute outro thing. So thank you so much. No problem. You are very welcome. Like I said, if there's anything I can help you guys with, let me know. Like I said, also, we have our Discord in the description. Join our Discord. Like I said, links there in the description. Just click the little arrow. It'll bring you down to the description, and then join that way. We also have our Twitter, so if you have any reports, any photos of any thunderstorms or anything like that, like I said, you guys can send it to our Twitter at NWW1162. Obviously, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and like I said, and share this with everybody as you can. Be greatly appreciated. Oh my gosh, TRG, oh my gosh, really?
Tornado warning? What?
Bro.
What'd they do?
This is gonna, oh man.
What?
This is my OCD.
Oh my goodness, no way.
No.
Are you joking? They removed it from one county.
Bro.
Why?
Now it's not connected, man.
Shoot.
That's annoying, bro.
Close the radar sites.
Man. Let's see. Cindy's Custom Cups on Facebook with a $5 super chat. Thank you so much. Very sweet. Let's see. 67748, please. Alrighty. Let's see. 67748. Kansas. Gotcha. Let's see. Oh, you're actually in a severe thunderstorm warning right now. So yeah, you're currently getting hit by a severe thunderstorm right now. Let's see here. It's only for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail, though. Yeah, so you're actually inside of it right now. So make sure that you are, obviously, well away from windows. Like I said, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, quarter-size hail is nothing too extreme, but definitely watch out for it. Now, let's see for the next few days. Now, obviously, today you have that enhanced risk. You're actually in a pretty big risk for today. So definitely keep an eye out there for, for the rest of this afternoon, evening. Yeah, you're actually getting hit by that big thunderstorm that's in the middle. So you're kind of in the middle of that big risk for today. Like I said, it gives you a 30% chance of seeing severe weather within 25 miles of your given location. Now for let's see here. Now for tomorrow, regarding severe weather, we do not have a severe thunderstorm threat. There's a chance for a couple of thunderstorms, but overall, not expected to really be anything too crazy. And then, of course, for Wednesday, we have another thunderstorm threat, which is a chance for thunderstorms, but once again, not expected to be anything crazy or severe. So that's good. So really just watch out for today and for the rest of this evening. And that's about it. Main concern there is, damaging wind gusts and maybe some hail. The good news is that there's no chances for tornadoes, or less than 2% chance, which I don't think there's going to be any tornadoes out this way. So you're good. Let's see here. Andrew going mentally insane. What? Let's see here. Texas WX says, just wanted to say thank you so much, and I appreciate you very much. Well, thank you, man. Greatly appreciated. Glad to have you here. Let's see, Iowa is all messed up. Yeah. Can I see if is it? No, that's not a code. Dude, zip codes only have 5 digits. And that has 6 digits. That's not right. Do I think there could be a Duraco? I'm sorry, Caleb. Duraco for Wednesday. Once again, I'm not going to go out to Wednesday right now. I'm waiting for the models to become a little bit more transparent. But yeah, we'll keep watching it.
73116 is OKC in Oklahoma. So yeah.
Oh, well, you did
not 733-116.
Yeah.
Trying to do NWW116 as a zip code.
Yep. Oh gosh.
That's what they were trying to
do. Pulls up Rock, Wisconsin. Or
Oh
no,
my
Rock,
word.
Michigan.
Oh, whoa. Wait, did the enhance get bigger? They kept it.
Huh? No way, it got bigger.
Nah. It just looked bigger for a second.
Okay, cool. Did they keep everything else the same?
Yeah. Not sure about probabilities. Oh, they removed the marginal in the northeast and the deep south.
Oh, okay, cool.
But everything else is like exactly the same.
I figured it would, honestly.
And
I didn't think that they were going to do that, any upgrades or anything like that.
Moderate, dude.
Too high risk for one county.
Yeah, they just barely trimmed off the western extent to the enhanced.
What
That's
about
the only change?
Uh-oh.
What?
10,000 people without power in Vermont due to flooding.
Oh yeah, I did see that. It's because it's continuing. More flash flood warnings.
I only expect those numbers to increase. Let's see here. I actually want to take a look. Do they still have that? Yep, they still have the high risk out there for flooding. When's the new Weather Prediction Center outlook? Do you know?
I have no idea.
This one was issued at 15 Zulu. Which, it's way past 15 Zulu now. It's 0100, isn't it?
Yep. That's why the new outlook's out. At least for the severe weather.
Gotcha.
I guess they just update it whenever they want.
So
4 times a day. I just don't know what time.
Yeah. Gotta.
Wait, did they just update it? Nope. That's the SPC just updated there.
I just got the tweet. Day 1 outlook, enhanced risk. Yeah, it didn't grow at all. Oh, Caleb saying to stay longer for 10 minutes. No.
Savage.
Yeah.
I think they issue it in 1 hour.
Huh?
I think they issued it in 1 hour.
Oh, the new WPC
Day
outlook.
1. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Oh no, 01Z.
Oh, they updated it?
It should be out within the next 9 minutes.
You might just get your wish,
12Z.
bro. Caleb.
12Z, 16Z, 01Z. Those are the updates I see.
01. Yeah, it's 01 Zulu right now. Well, it's 0101 now. I guess we'll wait till the new update. If it doesn't take long.
Well, you're already over your 3-hour mark.
True. Yeah. We're live for 3 hours and 1 minute so far. Okay. Well, we'll just keep an eye on it. Let's see here. Severe thunderstorm warning for an hour. Quarter size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gust for Oakley, Grinnell, Cranefield, Quinter, and McAllister. Yeah, that considerable's definitely gone by now. Honestly, it looks like a lot of these storms are weakening a bit in some areas. Except for this guy, still 2-inch hail. It's weakened though. It went from baseball to 2-inch hail. South of North Platte, or sorry, Platte. Let's see here. 1.25. Yeah, a lot of these criteria have dropped a bit. Have you seen a new WPC update?
Not yet. You can look at that new Outlook, by the way. They just added it.
What?
For severe weather, day 1. The enhanced risk, yeah.
Okay. Looks like they kept everything. Oh, you know what? No, they shrunk that significant hail threat. It was a lot bigger. I think it went up into it went up all the way up into northwestern Iowa.
Yeah, and the Panhandle of Texas.
Yep. So they dropped it. So they discontinued that significant hail threat for northwestern Iowa, northeastern Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota.
I didn't think they would keep that 2% tour.
They did.
Yeah, a bit surprised about that.
Southeastern Minnesota has it, and central Wisconsin still. Yeah, they really didn't move that, from what I remember. Let's see here. Any new WPC update? Nope.
Yep, they're slow.
They're even slower than the SPC.
That's a first.
Right. Makes me thankful for the Storm Prediction Center now.
I don't know if last night they updated it at 01Z.
Why do I feel like they made the enhance smaller slightly?
Hey, there it is.
Oh. Don't explain. Don't say what it is.
I'll send you it in.
It's still high risk.
Yep.
Oh, they barely did anything to it. Okay. Well, now
pretty much the same.
Now I can stream in peace.
Yeah, without anyone fuzzing about it.
Yep. So still high risk, y'all, for Vermont, and a small sliver of northeastern New York State.
Yeah, main change is the slight risk was removed in Washington State, and the marginal and slight for South Carolina.
Gotcha. Yeah, we still have a slight for central and south central Oklahoma. Oh, Catman's here now. You joined at the wrong time, bro.
We were supposed to end 5 minutes ago.
I know. Yeah, we were just waiting for this update, which is just now updated. So, all right. Well, TRG, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for letting me join.
Yep, no problem. And,
all
right, I'll chat here in a minute.
Okay.
Alrighty, you guys. Well, once again, thank y'all for joining us. We love y'all. Thank you so much for being here, guys, and being a part of this amazing community. We love you guys. My camera's being all laggy again. But we are going to head off here for now. We did have a 3 hour or a little over 3 hour live stream today, which that is a nice chunk of coverage for you guys today. If you guys did enjoy it, once again, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, share this with your friends and family. Help get the word out there. Obviously, like I said, just thank you all for being here. Thank you guys for being a part of this. Also, join our Discord. It's down in the description. We have ourselves like I said, we actually have ourselves our Twitter as well. Tag us if you have any severe thunderstorm photos on Twitter at NWW1162. But yeah, but once again, y'all, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. I have to give a big thanks to our donators here for today. Let me go ahead and switch over to the donators and see who donated here for today. Which actually, I don't know if you guys saw, but I did actually I did add a Venmo finally. So people are wondering if I have a Venmo to donate to. So Scott, thank you so much. Scott Clark did a lot of donations today, as well as a lot of memberships. Thank you so much, Scott. We had Proxy with a big donation here today. Thank you so much, Proxy. Let's see. We also had ourselves Jenny as well. Thank you so much, Jenny. We had Brad Wells with a membership, Liam with a membership, Night Venomous with a membership. Let's see here. And we had Cindy Custom Cups on Facebook with a super chat donation. Thank you so much. But anyways, well, guys, thank you all for being here. Thank you guys for being a part of this. I don't know what's going on with my camera, why it's so glitchy. But like I said, guys, thank you all so much for being here. It's greatly appreciated. We'll catch you guys tomorrow at some point. I'm not exactly sure what time I'm going to be live tomorrow. It just depends on what I have going on and obviously when the storms pop off and stuff like that. So I'll determine that tomorrow what time we're going to go live, either it being on time of initiation or slightly after. But yeah. All right, you guys. Well, once again, thank you all for joining us. We're going to go ahead and switch over here to the ending screen. Like I said, if you guys have anything that you want to say, once again, join our Discord. It's in the description. If you have anything you have to say offline, or while we're offline, I should say, go ahead and do such. But all right, guys. Well, that's going to go ahead and wrap it up here. We're going to go ahead and set the stream and timer. It's now going to be having, we have 2 minutes. Go ahead and say goodbye to your friends and family. And all right, you guys. Well, thank you all so much for joining us, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, my friends. Thank you for joining. See you then.